Sunday only. I'm also not remembering how many questions prepared.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm co-host. Yeah. Good. So are you able to see my screen actually?
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no? Yeah. Okay. So I think we have also released the solution. Yeah. Let me just okay. So what you do, guys? Tell your doubts. I mean the question number of the mock, and I will go through the questions one by one. Okay.
So can we ask doubt rather than just mock?
Yeah, sure. But I want to take a mock and then
Oh.
because we haven't discussed any time before mock paper, no. So that's why I want to first cover mock questions and then I will go to the other questions. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So why weren't you taking the previous sessions? Like after long time you take the session, right? For us.
Yeah. So I was busy a little bit. I think you might be aware of we have conducted in-person meet in IIT Delhi. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was busy in that one. But yeah, but I think Karthik and Nani stood. I mean, they have taken pictures, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So tell me the questions and other. So mock questions are there. So please raise your hand and I will just no. Let me see. Where is my screen? My screen is visual, no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. So please raise your hand and I will call your name. And then I will write the doubts. Yes, please. Yeah, I think Sayan. Yeah, Sayan, please.
Sir, I just want a clarification on an option in a particular question, which is question number 11.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. 11.
So question number 11, you'll see there is an option which is like if Mij equals 0, then Mji would be also 0. So I just want a clarification on such conditions, like when to check and how to check, because you know there are problems with directed graphs and undirected graphs. So if you can just like give a small
Example.
explanation over like with example explanation, so something like
Okay.
that.
Okay. So I will give one example to make you understand. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have some other doubts?
I mean, sir, I need to find. I mean, you can take other doubts. If I find anything more in the mock paper, I would let you know in a while.
Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, so next, Radha. Yeah.
Sir, I have doubt in question number 14, 17, and 22.
17 and
22.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then what is this? Abhinav. Yeah.
Sir, question number 12.
Yeah. Question number 12. Okay.
I mean, till now I have reached 12 only.
Okay. Next. Okay. Then we have Arya Sinha. Arya.
Question number 4.
Question number 4. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. Any others? That's all. That's all. Okay. So there's any conceptual doubts from anyone?
I have one question. I mean, okay, you go ahead first.
Okay, so conceptual doubt in DFS.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then next.
Done, sir.
So did you attend that what Karthik has taken that session? I think last week, no? Yeah.
Yes, sir. 13 days ago, na?
Yeah. I think last Thursday itself we has taken one session for revision session 9, 10, and 11. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So yeah, so I want to remind you this, like if you have any doubt from week 1 to 10, oh sorry, week 1 to 8, Nalini has taken session on Monday. I mean this Monday, this Monday means this week Monday. And if you have particular conceptual doubts in list and dictionary, then I have taken session for list. I think week 5 open session or week 6 open session. I think week 5 open session I have taken that. And for the dictionary, there is a separate session called the concept of dictionary. If you go to the playlist, you will find the session for the dictionary. And for week 9, 10, and 11, Karthik has taken one session on last Thursday. So please watch that one. Like it is written that revision session from week 9, 10, and 11. And from week 1 to 8, Nalini is taken care of.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So next, Sayan. Yes, please.
Sir, I found this question in the previous year question paper. So it's kind of a weird thing for me to understand. I mean, once we are taking, let's say there is a tournament going on. I'm just giving you a overview of the question because I don't remember exactly the question, what the question was. So there was a tournament going on, and every player plays with every player like round robin thing, and only wins and losses are registered. So if let's say player I has won a game against player J, then there would be an edge from I to J and vice versa. So like this. So so we can take any number of players and any number of games that they are gonna play in between. So my question is, there was a pseudocode kind of thing which actually said if I not equals J, and let's say the adjacency matrix is M, so Mij equals 0. So in such case, that was given. So it was in the answer, it was like once the answer was I has not been beaten by any player. And if that was, I mean, the condition was given such like, I mean, in such a way, like let's say Mij equals 1, then it was like I has beaten every other player. So in such case, in what concept we are taking? Are we taking the transpose and we are actually taking the in degrees and out degrees in the consideration? Let's say like
No.
I
So
is on the row we are checking.
transpose you can only consider whenever there is a symmetric type of matrix. Then like Mij will be 1, then Mji will be also 1.
J would be 1.
It's not like always the symmetric case. It only comes when you have you are checking the difference of anything. Like difference can be like if Mij something related to cost. So difference will be same. Now, difference if I is also can be higher than J, or J can be also higher than. But if the
Higher than
difference is lying between, difference is lying between some particular cutoff you have set, like let us say 100. So obviously Mij difference is 100, then Mji also difference will be 100. So at that time it will be 1. Okay. But in case of like marks greater than, so that question I will discuss. For others, I think it will be not able to understand, but I will try to discuss with when I will check one question. I think 11 or 12 some question is there, so I will explain that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So others, that's all. I'm going to start now then from question number 4. Okay. Sounds good for others?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Yeah. So what is question number 4? No. Yeah. Question number 1 is easy for everyone. I think it's not too tough. Question number 2 is also easy. Yeah. If anybody is having doubt, let me know. Okay. Question number 4. Yeah. This is question number 4. How many have solved this question? Hello. Others have solved this question? No, yes. Or people haven't tried that mock paper till.
I will do it tomorrow, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
No,
Absolutely.
But then,
It's too late, sir.
sorry. But there is no meaning of if you haven't tried these questions. These are the good questions. If you haven't tried, then
We,
it is
Sir,
not
we are doing actually previous year questions.
okay. Okay, chalo. So let me try for the question number 4. Who had doubt in this question? Question number 4.
Sir, I had doubt.
Okay. Question number 4. Yeah. So what it is saying that get spacer is a procedure that accepts a non-empty list of distinct integers L as a parameter. So L is a list which is an input for the procedure get spacer, and it returns a pair of 2 integers. So it returns also like once you call this procedure with L, and L is also having some distinct set of integers. Distinct, I mean, there will be no duplication. Understand? Distinct, what is the meaning of distinct? There will be no duplicates in that integer, that list, and that elements are in integer, not the characters. So all details are, I mean, all, each and every things are given. It should be distinct as well as the element will be integers. And it returns returns a pair of 2 integers. And what are these? The first element of pair is the minimum element in A. So the minimum value in list L will be the first element, and the second element of pair is the maximum element. So it returns the 2 integers, a pair of integers, in which the first element is minimum of the list L, and second one returns the maximum value of the element A. Okay. So get a special procedure is clear for everyone what it does. I mean, if
Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
if L is this one, I mean, let us say 490 11, then what do you think it will have? It will return if you call this guy, and let us say
0,11 actually.
yeah. Let us say A is there, and you have called with a procedure get a special, and L. So what do you think that will be A?
It is
A at the end of the
4,
execution
With the
0,
list of
11.
0,11.
0, comma?
11.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everybody
In
agree
pair.
on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so let us see, there is a fill in the blanks is there. So we have to check how it works. So how it is working? Let us see. So as soon as you go inside, what it does, minimum is stored in first of minimum in one variable is there, which is an integer data type y, because the first of A is actually, it will return an integer, first element of list L. So it will be an integer. So first of L will be stored in minimum, and max, it will be last of the L. So both are representing a integer value. Then it will check if first of A is greater than last of A. Then mean will be last of L and max will be first of L. I mean, how it is checking? I mean, can you see this? I mean, as soon as you call this guy, let us say this is a number you have, and mean will be what here? Mean as okay. Mean will be what here?
4.
First of L. First of L will be 4, and max will be what?
11.
Last of L. Last of L is 11. Okay. And what you are checking, if this first of A is greater than last of A, so it is checking mean value. I mean, first of L is actually stored in mean, no? So that is what it is checking. So if first of L is what? 4 is greater than last of L. Last of L is what? 11.
11.
Then it will, what it will do? It will update the value of mean and max. Do you
Yes,
think it will update? No, na? It is false condition for this one. Hannah, guys,
yes, sir.
this is false, no? So it will not go. Now it will come here. So this is the like in this is actually a recursive procedure, Hannah, because you have to keep calling because something is there. It is a recursive because this condition is checking termination condition, Hannah. Okay, so if length of L is equal to 2, so obviously length, let us say you have called with only 2 elements. So let us another list is there. You have called with the only 2 elements 5 comma 19, or let us say 19 comma 8. It will check here actually, but as soon as you will come here, length of L will be actually 2 for this one. You will return from here itself. Do you think that you are going to read these sentence these as expressions? No, na. As soon as you return, yes. So this is the termination of the base condition for the recursive procedure. Okay, guys. Okay, so now what you will check as soon as you have updated the value of mean. I mean, you haven't updated because this condition was false for the what you have assumed that list is. But you know the mean and max value from this one, first and last of it. Okay. Now, as soon as you come here, init and rest of it. What will be the value of this one then? If L will be updated, means what you are doing actually, you have, if you write rest of L, what you have done, you have removed first element.
First element.
And init of L, it has removed last of the
last element.
last element. So do you think, so why we are doing actually here? So actually what we have done, we have already considered like first of L is minimum, max of L is max is last of L. And based on this condition, if there is an interchange, I mean, if minimum is not the first of L, in these two values, you will update. Otherwise, it will be the same value. So that is what we have done. And now next in this one, what we are trying to, we are removing the first and last element. So first and last init and rest is there now. So if you remove this, first how generally we do? Rest of L we will check first. So rest of L will be only representing from here, no? Guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody is clear on this, no? I mean, otherwise
Yes,
I will
sir.
write in detail.
Yes, sir.
It is
yes,
clear.
sir.
Yeah. So okay. So I just write directly then 9,0. Everybody agree on this? L will be in line number 12. L will become
Yes,
like
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No
sir.
doubt.
okay. Now you are checking again. If first of L, what is the first of L now? You have
9.
So first of all is 9.
first of L is 9. 9 is greater than
0.
sorry. 9 is less than, no? Less than mean. What is the value of mean you have? 4, no?
4.
4. It's true or false?
False.
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 It will not update. Now you are checking for the max value, and the first of L is again same value, no? 9, because we haven't updated L. Now it is checking with the max value. So max is what? How much?
11.
11. It's true or false?
False.
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 Again, it will not update. So what we have done actually with the first element, we have checked. I mean, now we have removed the first and last element. It became like this. Now we are checking with the first element of this updated list. That is what we are checking now, first of it. And we are updating the mean and max. If this condition is going to be true, you are updating the mean. And the same thing, if first of L is greater than max, then obviously you are going to update max. Okay. So what do you think a recursive procedure? You should call it again and call it again. So this is clear. I mean, it should be having some procedure. I mean, so recursive procedure. What you should send that you have already compared with the first of L. So are you supposed to remove the first element in calling procedure, calling again that procedure? No, I mean, what I'm saying here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, first element you have with the updated value, you have checked the first element. and you have updated based on that mean and max. So do you think further first of L will be used somewhere? No, no. You have already
No,
compared
sir.
that one. So
Yes, sir.
you should remove that one. Miss, while calling, you should remove that. So how you will remove this element?
Rest of L.
Rest, no? That is what it is done. Init you cannot do, because if you do init, you will leave the last element. But
Last.
comparison, this is not done actually. Hai? Comparison is not done because we have done for the first element. If here it is the last of L and last of L, then this might be the correct answer. But we have compared with here first of the L. That's why there is a rest. You cannot use this one because init and rest you haven't compared this one with two elements, first and last. You have only compared with the first element. I think is there. Yeah, understood, guys? No, I think
Understood, sir.
others.
No, sir.
I
Clear,
think
sir.
who had doubt in this?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Yeah. So means you will that based on the given option, you should use your brain that what you should, how should you going to update the L, because you have already checked with this condition. So you have to remove that element from the list so that you need not to do again and again, because you have to reduce the, finally you have to make it what, this one, no? You have to make it finally length 2. If this is the special case, like you have considered this only for elements, there is a very long, so many elements are there. So finally you have to reach at that position is termination condition, base condition of the recursive procedure. Okay, so you have to keep updating the, or keep reducing the length of the list. Yeah.
Sir, get special will only apply on rest of L, right? In
No.
option.
No, in this, yeah, this option. But I'm so for when you are checking with the first of it, then this is the correct answer. Okay.
Yes, sir. This is correct.
But when you have here, you have written last of L, like some other guy might have written the code. Here he has used last of L, then
Init will be used. If we compare with both, then rest of init of rest of L.
yeah.
Okay. Now we are doing recursion here, right, sir?
Yes.
So return will give me get special minimum is 4, rest of
Yeah.
L is 90,
Yeah.
and max is stored as 11.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, and then we apply recursion on rest of L because get special is only on L.
Yeah. So how it will look like? So return get. So here it will be get a special as you call, no? So get a special mean, whatever the mean you have. So mean you have 4 plus rest of L. Rest of L is what?
List.
Rest of L will be
0.
0 only, no?
0, right?
0 plus max. Max is what? 11.
11.
So
11.
now you are calling this get a special with L updated on, let us say L3 I'm writing. You are calling with like this. Mean is what? Sorry, 4, no? 4, 0, 11. Like that you are calling. So it will again, as soon as you call this, you will start from here.
Right, sir.
Anna?
Right.
Guys? Hello?
Yes,
People
sir.
are
Yes, sir.
getting-
Yes, sir.
Okay. good.
Clear, sir.
Yeah. So then question number 11. Yeah, this is very much detailed explanation. There you can check that. One question I saw that. Yeah. Hey, how many have tried this question number 5?
Yes, sir. Solved
Yes,
it, sir.
sir.
Is it correct?
I got it, sir.
Okay.
got?
Radha, na?
Correct. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Radha. Okay. So so D is the correct according to you. Let us say I'm saying that. Okay. So first I am going to read this question. Everybody, those who haven't done this one, please listen carefully. This is a good question actually, and there is a. I tell you what is the error in that, because when I was going through that, I saw there is an error. Okay. Yeah. Let X and Y be 2 rows in the library table. So we call X and Y. So this is question number 5. So yeah, question number 5. Okay. Question number 5. Good. So we call X and Y compatible if books in a row X and Y are either published in same year or under the same genre, but not both. So compatible, when books will be compatible? Either. So
Same year or same genre.
same year or
Same genre.
same year and different genre. Different genre.
Same year or same genre.
That will be, but not both is written. Understood. So I'm writing for the compatible.
Okay. So okay.
and-
So you are actually listing the possible cases, right?
Yeah, the possible case.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
The
got it.
possible. Yeah. Let me write actually. The possible cases for the compatibility. Compatible. Okay. Possible case for compatible. Compatible, it is defined here. So I'm writing the possible cases. Okay. ठीक है?
Okay,
Guys,
sir.
are you getting people? Others?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first case, this will be the first case. If book is same year and same genre, then it will be a compatible book. Now second, and a different case can be different
Different
year
year and same genre.
and same genre. Guys, others?
Hello,
Yeah.
sir. It is same year or same genre, not and.
No, if both are same, no. I mean, same
The
year and
question is saying X and Y published in
so-
same year or same genre, but not
Yeah,
both.
Yeah. So that's why I'm writing the possible cases for the compatible books. Listen. So what I'm trying to say here, if row either published in same year, okay. So it doesn't care about what. Do you think two things are there? Either. So up to here, then you can say that or, but it is written that but not both. That's why and is coming here. Understand? If same year and same genre, do you think it will be called compatible? Who had doubt in this? Tell me. Hello,
Hello.
Abhinav, no?
Yeah,
Abhinav.
sir. Yes, sir.
Abhinav.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes,
saying
sir.
that same year and same genre. Do you think that will be compatible? Why? Because it is saying but not both.
Yes. It will not be compatible.
Same year and same genre, it should not be there because it is saying it should not both. So
Yeah.
either it's same year or different genre and different year and same genre.
Yes.
Guys,
Yes.
Others? Hello?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Getting it,
okay.
sir.
Okay, good. So let us say go by one also. Chalo, theek hai. So what we are checking? A is false, B is false. Okay. X of year. Okay. So both are same year. It's true. Both are same genre. है ना? Both are true. So
Yes, sir.
do you think that this will be a compatible? No, na?
No,
Because
sir.
we
No,
do not
sir.
interested in both same year and same genre. Because it is saying that, but not both. Guys,
It should be same year or different genre, different year or same genre.
yes, that is what I have written.
Yes, sir.
Guys.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Getting it,
Next.
sir.
Yeah. Next option. Let us see. Again, this is same. I mean, okay. So do we think that it will change? We have only the difference is or operator. Can you see that? This is and operator. This is here. It is or operator. My screen is visual, no? I mean, it's very
Yes,
small.
sir. It's visible,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Both screen are visible.
Okay, good. So now let us see if both are having same year and same genre. Then both are true. True or true. For that case, it will return true. But are we interested in that? No, na? Because it is saying
No,
that
sir. But not both condition is there.
yes. If one is true,
Other has to be false.
yeah.
I
So
mean,
for that
such
case,
cases.
this condition is wrong, and this option is wrong. If both are true, because or operators how it works. If one of the condition, if both are false, then it will not go
False.
inside.
Yes,
Hai
sir.
na? Guys,
Yes, sir.
truth table, everybody is remembering?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now come to the option number C. चलो ठीक है. So it is saying that year both are true. Let us say you have same year and different genre. So same year and different genre. So same year is there. So it will be true. Different genre, it will be still false. B will be still false, guys. So these two cases it should count. I mean, it should return true, no, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Others. Acha. Okay. So let us say A is true. A is true is there because same year is there, and B is false. Okay. So it looks B is false. So this condition is true.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or A or B. So A is true
it
and B is false. A is true and B is
Uh-huh.
false. So this will be returning true. So if this condition is true, then no need to check this one. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let
sir.
us say if this will be also be coming true because different year. So different year is what? This will be false and this will be true. For this case, A is false and B is true. So this will be overall false, no, guys.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
A
sir.
is false and B is true. So
This
this
will-
is true, then overall this is true. So it will, for these two cases, it is turning true. But what if both are true? Because that case we are excluding, no? Because but not both it is written. Let us see for the both cases what it happens. So both are true. So this is
False.
true. This is guys. If people are not understanding, I can write this condition. So I'm writing for by like same year. So that option number C I'm checking, guys. Tell me. Otherwise, I will.
Yes, sir. If A and B are
Eh,
true, but it is not
No.
equal to both.
Yes. Yes.
Not equal to false,
just-
then it will be false.
just
Wrong
minute,
condition.
just a minute, Abhishek. Others, guys, should I write so that you will understand better? I'm
Yes,
writing.
sir.
Okay, so I'm writing for the case. So these two cases are true, Anna. For these two cases, it is returning true. I'm okay with that. But what if same year, sorry, same year and same genre? But this we are discarding, no? I mean, we are not interested in that one, no? Why? How I'm checking? Because this is saying that published in same year and under the same journal, but it should not have both. So this condition should be false. For this condition, option number C return false. Guys, yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us
sir.
check. Same year, okay. It is true. This is true. A is true. B is true is equal to false. So what it is actually, it will happen in the if condition. So it is saying that A and B is equal to false, or A or B true. So yeah. So how it will be going to check? So A is what? True.
So
Because
both
same
are
year.
true actually
Yeah.
for this case.
Yeah. So A is true, but what is that? B is true, but true is equal to false. It's false condition, no? I mean, so how it will be looking? A is true, okay? But this guy, this will be false, no? Because
Yes,
B
sir.
is true. This will be false, and it is connected with OR operator overall, and this is A. So A is true, or I'm writing for this guy, and B is also
Is
true.
true.
So this will be returning.
Overall true.
Yeah, this will be returning false, but I'm okay with that because this is connected with OR operator, and true or true, it will be returning true. So overall, this will be returning true. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Others?
No, sir.
So for that cases also, this is returning true. So therefore, option number C is also false. Guys,
Yes,
now
sir.
come
Yes,
to
sir,
the
'cause
option
it's-
number D, which is given as a correct option. Chalo, see. This is connected with AND operator, okay? For this condition, obviously, this will be going to be false. I tell you. Let us see first check this one, whether for this guy, it is returning false or not. Let us see, check. So this is A is false, B is false, same year, same genre, A and B both will be true. Now it is checking A and B is equal to false. And this is connected with what operator? And operator.
And.
है ना?
Yes,
And
sir.
operator. So A, so this is true. So this is true and false. It will be false. And true or true, it will be
True.
true. So what it will be overall?
False.
False.
So for this case, it is returning as a false because this will be, it will not go inside. So where it will come? It will come here at line number 12. It will return false. Let us see that what that two condition, these two conditions, for these two conditions, this guy has to, this option number D has to return what? True. No, that is what we are looking for. No,
Yes, sir.
guys, others.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Let us see for the option number 1. So A is option number 1. A is for same year. So A will be what? Same year. True. And it is a different genre. So B will be
False.
False.
agree?
Yes.
Everyone? Now
Yes, sir.
check this guy. Line number 9. That the big expression. So A is what? True. B
False.
is false. False is equal to false. I'm writing A. Is fine for you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And connected with A. A is what? You have
True.
true. Or B is
False. False.
false. So this is actually two closing brackets should be there for this guy. Okay. Okay. So this is true. So this will be false is equal to false. What do you think? This is true, no? I mean,
True,
inside.
true, sir. Yes, sir.
So this will be true and
True.
true.
Overall
And this is
true.
connected with and true or false. It will return what?
True.
True. Guys,
Yeah.
again,
Yes,
true
sir.
and true. True and true will be true and
True.
connected with true.
True.
So it will be overall true.
True.
Hey guys, others, I mean,
Yes, sir.
is it going to be complex for others?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So for this condition, it is returning true. So actually we wanted that one. So let us, this is actually fulfilling. For this case, option number D is fulfilling. Okay. Now come to the option number D. For this case also it should return true or not. For option number 2, I mean, so what we have shown here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us check now. Different year. So different year is what? This will be false and
Be
B
true.
will be
True.
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 Now let us see. So this will be delete करने का. Yes. Yeah. Chalo. Yeah. So I'm writing if. What is that? A. A is what? False.
False.
And B is what?
True.
True. Is equal to
False.
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 And connected with and A
A. False.
or sorry, I should write A is false or
Be true.
B is what?
True.
True.
Sorry, B is true.
True.
So this is overall. Now let us see what it is happening here. False. So this will be, I'm writing here. So false,
is
I'm
also
writing
true.
and true is equal to false. What do you think it will return?
False.
False.
And false and true. What do you think it will
True.
return?
True.
True.
Chalo. Now false and false will be
False.
and
False.
True.
true. It will be
True.
true. Huh?
False.
False.
So for this case, it is returning false. Do you think this is correct option?
No, sir.
Guys,
No, sir, it is not.
No, sir.
So,
Radha and Abhinav, you guys have tried, no? You got it answer. Got answer also.
Actually,
Yes,
sir, I
sir.
got the wrong one.
Which one?
Sir,
C. Option number
I-
C.
Yes,
sir,
sir. I got the
Ah.
wrong one.
Yeah, tell me.
sir, if a, um, in line 9,
Yes.
if A is equal A equal to 2 and B equal to false, or A equal to false and B equal to true, then it's right.
No, so there will be a lot of combinations should be there, but what I'm training here, yeah, you can check with that one. But what I'm saying that this option is not correct because of this condition should also return true. Okay, and so what do you think, others, Abhinav and Radha? What do you think? Those who have actually tried.
Sir, right, this is only correct, sir.
Is this
So
correct?
for
But
me, I chose the first two
Mhm.
cases. I mean, the way you selected same year, same genre, if it's returning the correct, or same year, same genre. So I chose two cases. I mean, I checked for two cases. It was coming out correct. So I
no, so
just chose this option.
same year, same genre. That is the incorrect. No, you are not supposed to count that one. No, same year, same
No,
genre.
no, sir. No, sir. I mean,
Hmm.
according to the question, I mean, the way actually you did it, I did the same way, but I didn't check the different year, same genre case. So,
You should
so
guess.
I
So
thought, okay, so this is the correct option.
this will be actually maximum 3 cases. No? Means 4 cases only. No? Say, so you should check with this one. So same year and same genre. That the 4 possibilities this only. No,
Same year, same genre, and the last case would be different year, different genre.
different year and different genre. This is the different genre. And what are the cases we are going to accept? So see that, I mean, it is saying that either books are published, books are published in same year or under the same genre, but not both. So at least one of the conditions should be true. So this is the accepted. We will accept. I mean, we will
So the
count
first two cases.
this. We are going to accept. This one we are going to reject. I mean, we are not going to count this guy. No. Why? Because we are saying that, but not both. It shouldn't be the same year and same genre. But either one of the true, then we are ready to accept, or we are ready to say that books, pair of books are compatible. Agree, everyone? And both are different year and different genre. That is the like very easy case. I mean, so what do you think the correct option will be there?
See,
Can you try with this? Not
I think
not
not A and B would be there, not A
Yes.
and B, and A
and
or
it
B.
should be connected with OR operator. Can you try, guys?
Or.
Yeah.
So
So
why
this is-
or, sir? I'm not getting. I mean,
Actually, the second
oh, okay,
condition is
okay. So I got it. You used or, but you changed the next condition. I get it, sir.
Yeah.
I was
so
I was
see how
thinking like
how
not
it,
A and B.
yeah. So how it will work? I mean, just I give you the both all cases. I mean, so this is actually not everybody understand. No, means I think people are. I think in this throughout term, I see only 30 to not more than 40 students have joined the live session regularly. I mean, after qualifier examination, and I think this all you guys all are consistent. No, I think.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
yes.
And I can see the few names which I know. I mean, yeah, Radha is there, Abhinav is there, Abhishek is there, Pooja is there. Yeah, so these guys are, I think, all are regular. Okay, so yeah, so I think people know that not a how it works. So simply that not true means what? False. Not
False.
false means what? True. So like that. So can you for this what I have written these two for these cases, these two conditions should be accepted, meaning these two cases it should return true, and for these two cases it should return false. If you use in place of this guy, I mean, option number D, that line number 9, if you replace with this one, you are going to get for this
Correct
case
answer.
true, and for this one also true, but for these two cases it will return false. I mean, it will not go inside, therefore it will come, it's line number 12, it will return false. Should I check for one, or you guys want to check? Okay, you tell me for which case I should check. Anyone, so that you will know how it will work.
So
Anybody
let's check
So
for third
let's
option.
check for the different year, same genre.
Okay,
The
so
where we
different.
got
Yeah,
false,
second one
yeah.
is.
Yeah, so see, different year, same genre. Okay, let me bring this guy to the next page. Yeah. So option number third, I mean the third situation you are, I mean case third you are have chosen, and this is actually same year. So same year means A will be what? True.
Yes, sir.
A will be true, no? Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. A will be true and B will be what? No, so which option of case second or third you have said?
Case 2, sir.
Case
Case
2,
two, sir.
no?
Case 2.
Yeah. So different year. Okay. Case 2 or case 3? Which one you want?
Case 2, sir.
Okay.
2.
Okay. So A will be then false,
It
and
will
B will
be
be
false.
B will be true, no?
True.
Agree? Because if same year is there, then it will return true. But what you have assumed? Different year. So different year, it will not go inside, and A will still remain A. A will be not updated. While for checking for the genre, B is initialized with false, but same genre, then it will update the value of B with true. So that is what I have written. Okay? Chalo. Now check in that. Check in this one. So what I have written here, if not A, I'm writing not A. A is what?
False.
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 And what is that? Next, B.
True.
B is
B
what?
would be true. So true.
True. Connected with OR operator.
Oh.
And let me write two cases. Let me make it colorful little bit. Then it will have Anna and now check. Yeah, I think it will be colorful. Okay. Then next I'm trying what is that? A is what?
False.
False. And what is that? Not
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 false.
true.
Not true.
Not
Actually, means
true.
false.
not
True.
true. ठीक है? Everybody agree on this? What I'm trying to say here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay. Chalo. Now I'm writing if same thing. If is there, so I'm writing for this guy. Now not false means what?
True.
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 Not false means true.
True.
And
True.
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 ठीक है? Connected with OR operator and false
And
and not true
And
means
false.
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 False. False.
false.
so. This is what true and true will be what?
True.
True.
Or
True or
false
false.
and false will be
False.
False.
overall it will be
True.
True.
agree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it will work for the same other option number 1 also, because A and B just interchange. But you can check with the option number 3 and option number 4 also.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, if true or false, we take true, and true and false, we take false.
No, sorry, come again.
Sir, like true or false
Huh.
equals to true.
Yeah, means OR operator you are talking about, no? Yeah.
Yeah,
See,
or
in
and
OR
and.
yeah, see, in OR operator, if any one of the condition is true, it will return true. Otherwise, it
Okay.
will return false. So,
Okay.
meaning wherever OR operator is there, if both are false, then it will return false. Otherwise, it will return true.
True.
Whereas in
Okay.
case of AND operator, if both are true, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false.
false.
This is a crucial. Guys, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Others?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
But
No,
sir,
sir.
what if, I mean, what if, sir, we take not A and B and A or B?
Not
Oh,
so you
okay.
are okay. So
Huh.
at that time you will miss that one. Other two condition it will check.
Oh,
So
again,
lot of
again, one of the conditions would be not, I mean, that won't satisfy.
guys,
Yeah, yeah.
I'm giving you one very interesting. So what you can try with this, for which case it will return for, you just try here. I'm just what I'm saying, put it here or and here and for check for which of the condition it will have a check.
Same, sir.
Is it? No.
Like
Try for all four cases. These two should accept and these two should reject. I mean, for these two it should return false and these two it should return true. This is the correct option, but I'm just giving you to check why this is not correct, for which of the
Sir,
condition it
you
will
just, sir, you just complemented the condition. So in the first case, so
Yeah.
if 1 and 2 would accept, this time it would accept 3 and 4. I think that's exactly how logic gates actually work. So you just replaced or by and, so you just complemented the condition.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
this time it would accept 3 and 4, but it would reject 1 and 2. I mean, conditions.
Yeah. True. Yes. Okay, so please do such things. No, I mean, it will be fun. I mean, if you try that, this is not only the one way you can write. You can write in many different ways. I mean,
Right, sir.
you might
Sir.
have remember you might have remember like someone wanted to write in terms of numeric, like someone has initialized a is a 0, then a will be a plus 1, and here a is equal to a plus 1. So if both are, do
Mhm.
you remember what I'm trying to say here, guys?
Checking integers, right?
Yeah, like that you
Giving-
can also check, like you have initialized a with something 0, or let us say some different variable. Count is equal to 0 you have done. Now what you are checking, if x dot year is equal to y dot year, and this is true, then what you are going to do? Sorry.
Increment count.
Increment count.
Yeah, count will be count plus 1 and sorry. And one more condition you have to check. No, what is that? Genre.
Genre,
X
sir.
dot
X dot genre.
and
Okay, so sir, you are actually doing I mean the conditional statement would be if count equals 1, then it would return true, right?
yeah, and just
No,
minute,
he
just-
would check for greater than one.
yes, that will check after that. This another condition will be there. You have to check for what condition it should. Count will be count plus
One.
1.
And in the above, sir, in the if condition, you have to like twice equals to will be there. X
Sorry,
dot
sorry?
genre. In if condition, sir, you just
Oh, sorry, I have written only one. Yeah. So now this is as soon as you enter. So I have written this whole procedure in different manner. Another programmer wanted to write this procedure in some like, so procedure is there. Na? This guy compatible. So he has got like this one. I'm writing whole procedure actually. This can be also written in this way. Now, what condition should we check? If count is equal to what?
1.
1. Correct. Then it should return
Return true.
oh,
It would return true.
yeah.
Otherwise return false.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if it is not true, then last you have to write this one, return.
This one is easy than this.
Yes, but someone wanted to write in some different.
Mhm.
So what we have done, simple thing. I mean, you are keep counting for the both conditions. If year is same, then you are going to increment. If genre is same, you are going to increment. If count is equal to 1, then you are going to return true. Meaning if in any one of this condition is true, obviously the count will be updated to 1, no? Guys,
Yes, sir.
therefore that's why we are returning true. Otherwise it will return false. So for which are the cases it will return false? When count is equal to 0 and count is equal to 2. Anna? And
Right.
that
Yes.
will
sir.
come for which cases? For this case, count will be
3 and
what?
4.
Count will be 0.
0.
And for same year and same this, for this case count will be
2.
2, and for these two cases count will be 1.
1.
1.
And that is what we wanted, no? When count is equal to 1, these two cases should be accepted, means it should return true. That is what we are trying to do here. Anna? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
another way of writing. Someone wanted to write in this way. This is becoming a little bit more complex, but you should do in this type of also. Like some questions, I think in week 4 or somewhere. Yeah, in week 4, some questions are very complex in terms of OR operator. You might remember. So
Yes,
please
sir. The
revise
truth
that.
table concept.
Yeah. So please revise in week 4 graded assignment questions. Okay. Okay. Where I was. So any doubt till here, guys? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So now moving to the question number 11. Others, I assume that these questions you guys have done. No?
Yes, sir. So I'm
Yes, sir.
like waiting for the 20th and 23rd,
Sorry?
22nd and 23rd.
Okay, 23rd.
Sir, if you could upload the solutions to the mock will be great, because we'll have to wait till tomorrow night, and morning we need to be early at the
No, mock is solution is already uploaded.
uploaded. It's
Yeah.
uploaded, sir. Okay, I'll just go
Yeah,
check.
I think you can go and check. Yeah. So you are on which qualifier or term student?
Term, sir, term.
Okay, so term mein.
Yeah. For
It's there, no?
term students, it's updated. Yes, sir. I just got
Okay.
5 minutes ago. I had to refresh the page.
Okay, you have to
Okay.
update. Yeah. Good.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. So question number 11. What is that 11 question number? Who had doubt in question number 11? 10 and 11 both are connected. Okay. Chalo. Let us see what it is happening in question number 11. Who had doubt in question number 11, please? What's your name? Those. Hello. Am I audible? No, yes.
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm
Yes.
asking that who has doubt in question number 11? Who had asked this question?
I guess Shayan asked this. Shayan, did you ask?
No, I have my questions ready actually. Like once it's done, I can post the link so sir can see the question and tell me exactly what to do with that. So it has nothing to do with this actually. I mean, mock
Okay,
paper.
okay. So this one, I think nobody said doubt in question number 11. If Mij is equal to 1, what it says? That bill is similar, and if Mij value is 2, what do you think that is similar and from the same customer? I think so. Question number 11 is, I think, based on that. I think option someone has said that there is a
Yes, sir. I mean, the next, the option thing. I mean, I did ask you like about how to check the zeroth thing, because sometimes, like symmetricity, non-symmetricity is there
yeah.
due
So
to
let us see.
the edges
Okay.
thing. So that's thing.
Yeah. So that let us see the option number 1, A option check. So Mij is 0. Then do you think Mji is also 1? And what is actually it is
No, sir.
representing? So those who haven't gone through that, Mij is actually representing. Okay, so what it is actually, how it is being created. So first of all, you should understand that how it is being created. So if the bill amount is so I J, and I'm saying these things based on the pseudocode. I'm not saying anything outside of pseudocode. So it is checking that if I and J, if bills are not, I is what it's actually checking. I is the keys of D. What is that D? D is actually this guy.
It is a sequence number, sir. I mean, keys are sequence
These are
numbers.
dictionary in which you have sequence number, let us say 0, and it has assign as a x dot name. So the first
will-
field name is something, I don't know what was the first field name. Let us say
Hey,
Ram.
any name you can be.
Yeah, Ram. And what is that? X dot total. Let us say that would bill is 550. Like that, another key is there. Next one, it can have any order, doesn't matter. है ना?
Huh.
And this will
Yes,
have
sir.
Ram something Ali, and this has 67. So like that, D will look like. ठीक है? Sorry, D will look like. So if
Yes,
if you,
sir.
if,
Yes, sir.
so if you write, okay, so n is equal to length of keys of D. So keys of D will, how it will look like? Keys of D will be,
So let's so keys of D, it could return in any order. Let's
Yes.
take the normal order 0, 1, 2, something like that.
yeah, ठीक है? It's if okay, guys,
Yes,
everybody
yes.
agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this is n is equal to length of keys of D. So it will check the number of elements in. It will just give the value to the number of
The
elements
integer
present
value
in,
it would give.
Yes,
in
sir.
list. Actually, keys of D is represent list. Now based on that, we have created an empty matrix. So create matrix, what it will do? It will create a matrix of n cross n with existing element will be 0, means null matrix. Okay, everybody agree on this?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
Now we
sir.
are going. Now we are going through for each I in keys of D. So keys of D, we will going through the 0, 1, 2. So
Yes, sir.
Yes.
0, and again it will start from the keys of D. So J will be also starting with the 0.
0.
So when
0,
when you will go 0 is not equal to 0, then because for the same bill you are, there is no meaning, obviously same
Yeah.
bill.
We
there
are
is no
ignoring
meaning of comparison.
diagonal elements. Ignoring
diagonal
Yes.
elements we gotta ignore.
Yes, because there is no meaning of comparing
itself.
same.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
correct. So that's why we have assigned this A should not be sorry, I should not be equal to J. Now it is checking abs value, means this magnitude it will see last of DI. So DI is what? If you write like this, let us say D is I is still 0 and
J is 1.
why it is becoming yes, I is 0 and let us say you are going through J is equal to 1. Okay?
J is 1.
Yes, sir.
J is 1. So D of 0, if you write, what do you think it will appear? This guy,
So Ram 555, that would appear.
correct?
List.
No,
Yes, sir.
but if we'll check with the last of this guy, so last of the
It-
I will be.
555 would return.
555.
Everybody
555.
agree on this?
Yes,
so it will
sir.
check.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, I think now people are responding. I mean, so people are understanding. Okay, good. Okay, so this is D of I, last of DI, meaning it is saying 555. I'm let me write it. That is A. So it is saying that 0 is not equal to 1, which is actually true condition, and it is connected with AND operator.
Yes, sir.
Absolute value of this guy, last of DI, last of D.
D of I.
Yeah.
Triple five.
So D of I is 0. This is what we are checking, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Minus,
Yes, sir.
Last of D of 1.
yeah. So this is whole is, yeah, last of D. DJ. J is what? A 1 I have done.
One.
Just I'm giving
One,
one
sir.
example. So
Yes,
people
sir.
will- yeah.
Mhm.
And it should be like less than equal to
100.
100.
It
है ना?
means that the difference is in between 100.
Yeah.
0
So
to
D
100.
last of D0 will be 555. है ना? So 0 is not equal to 1. This is a
1.
true condition, na?
True. Right.
And abs we are checking absolute value of this guy. Last of D.
Triple five minus 67.
So this will be 555 minus, what is that? Last of D1. D1 is
67.
what actually? D1 is this one.
67.
And if I say last of this guy, 67. Okay? This will be
Yes, sir.
67. It should be less than equal to
100.
100.
100. So what do you think? This will
False.
be
It is true, sir.
True.
It is true,
Yeah,
sir.
it's true, sir.
true?
No, it's
No,
not true
false.
actually.
False.
It's not true.
False.
False
False.
actually.
False.
False. Yeah, false.
Yeah, sir, it's
Sir,
false.
it's sir, you have written 67. I thought it's 55. That's why. Never mind. It's
Yeah.
false actually.
Okay, no problem, no problem. But be careful. I mean, while
In
checking. So
exam.
wherever that high carrying questions are there, high marks carrying questions are there, no? Please recheck. I mean, so if you have time, obviously, and in CT you might able to finish the whole question less than. I think this is 1.5 hour examination. No? Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I think how many are from Chennai? I mean, I will be going to one of the centers, Chennai. Nobody is from Chennai.
No, not from Chennai,
No,
from
sir.
south, sir. Not from Chennai.
Okay, good, no problem. But you guys are coming to Paradox, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, we
So-
meet in Delhi meet, sir.
Oh, okay, good.
I'm there.
Sir, I didn't got to know about Delhi meet actually.
Sir,
I
is it
think-
the meet aura that happened?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. One of my friends visited there.
Yes, in IIT, no?
Okay, so now you have qualified this time.
Sir, I'm in the end term now.
So you have qualified in this term. I mean, so you have written your qualifier in this term. I mean, Jan.
Yes, yes.
That's why. I mean, so did you get your email ID from ID?
No, sir, they said that it will be in the second term. So,
Yeah. So
the mail
that's
was
why,
a-
like.
Mail is on official ID.
Yeah. So, but I think that's why, like, we do not want to keep open for our Google form other than that SMail account. Means a student, what we are sending, what we are giving to the students of Atamata. So otherwise, it will be anybody can fill that form. So that's why. But next time it will happen every year. I mean, Paradox is there, other events. So don't worry about it. We will keep to that. So see, for this case, I have written false. This will be false, no? Because it will be more than 100. Right? So overall, this will be false. So what is actually checking here? So wherever that any bill, means bill I and J, if difference is less than 100 and both bill are not same, then you are going to update the
Update
value
one.
of J with 1.
Hmm.
Okay. Now also it is checking how inside that if first of DI, what is first of DI representing?
So the name, sir, the name actually.
Name of the means the bill belongs to which person? I mean, so that's
Which
why Ram
customer,
is there and this Ali.
Sir,
So, yeah, correct.
sir, when we update the line number 13, sir, when we update,
Yeah, so when let us say that first bill, this guy is actually, let us say,
yeah,
55 only. So what is the difference now here?
So it's gonna be true.
And this difference
It's
is
true.
12, no? 12. So 12,
yeah, sir.
12 is less than equal to 100. So it will be,
No,
sorry, it will be true. No, 12 is less than equal to 100, no? I mean,
yes.
now, means this guy, I mean, 55 and 67, what it will be return? Minus 12, but this is absolute value we are checking. So
Yeah.
12 is less than equal to 100, no?
Yeah,
Meaning it is true, no? What it will be like? It will be true. 12 is less than equal to 100. That is what it is. It will check, na? So overall true and 12 is less than equal to 100. It's true or false condition?
True, sir.
it's true.
True condition. So overall this will be true.
True.
Okay,
mean-
sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so what is when you have MIJ is equal to 1, what it mean that the difference between bill of sequence number I and sequence number J is less than equal to 100, then it will be 1.
It means there will be an edge from I to G.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
If there are absolute differences.
Now further we are also updating the MIJ. How? We are checking first of DI. First of DI is representing what? This
Ram.
name of the
Name.
Name of
Name.
the
customer.
bill belongs to which person, that name is there. So
Yes, sir.
so if the name is same, then you are further updating with 1, means it will become 2. Like let us say another bill So Ram can visit more than one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Ram
he
can
can.
visit more than one. Sorry, more than one.
More than one store or
More than one store,
one
no?
time.
Or
But
more than
sir,
one time. Yeah.
it should be different person because if Ram visits, he has the sequence number as 0.
No,
Huh,
actually
but,
it is checking the name.
Each, but
just
but for each visit, Ram or any customer is getting a unique sequence number, right? Each and every time.
I have written here 5. Yeah, just wait, give me just 1 second. Let me write for this. Let us say I'm writing for
sorry.
90. Okay.
Hmm.
So that number of bills is not depending on the sequence number is unique, but how many times a particular person has visited, that can be more than one, no? But the sequence number of bills can be, it will be only unique, but the name of the bill belongs to which person can be twice, more than one, no?
Yes,
Because
sir.
that Ram might have visited Big Bazaar once, twice also,
Twice.
or maybe he has visited Sun General or Sun SVS
Another
store.
stores. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Key has to be unique.
Yes.
The
Yes.
value pad could be unique.
Yeah. So the key here, sequence number is unique, but the name cannot be unique, no? Because that person can visit any shop anytime. Okay? So that's why that bill number should be unique. That is what we are checking here. AI should not be J. Then we are checking that if bill amount is in this region, means less than 100, then it will be 1. Now we are also checking that if bill is both bills belong to same person. If yes, then we are also updating with 1. So if AMIJ is 2, what do you mean that it is saying that
The
particular
bills
bill
actually
belongs to same person and
same
also
customer.
same customer, and their difference in
And the
bill amount
difference
is
is
less
less
than
than
100.
equals 100.
Understand? So if less than
Yes.
100,
Yes,
then
sir.
it is said that similar. So that is what it is saying that. Let us see the first option. So the maximum, this is true or false answer. What is that? Okay, true or false. The maximum value of MIG will be 2 only. Everybody is agree on
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The maximum bill MIJ can be 2 only, no?
Yes,
Yes,
For
sir.
one for the
For any
one for
IJ.
the, yes. MIJ is 1, then both will have the same customer names. Is it true or false?
No, sir. False.
No, na, because what we are checking that for the same bill amount, for the different bills, if amount difference is less than 100, then it will be 1, not for the person. If it is 2, then you can say that belongs to the same person, but we cannot say with the 1. We can say MIJ is 1 only for the bills which have differences 100, less than 100. Guys,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
suppose Ram visited 3 times Big Bazaar. So the maximum value can be 3, right?
no, how?
No.
That will be another pair, because sequence number you are checking with the 2, like another J will be coming. No, understand?
Okay. Understood, sir.
Okay, good. See, MIJ is 1, then both wheels have different customer name. It can be, no?
This is true, sir.
Yeah, this can be because it doesn't check for the name, it check for the amount of bill. है ना?
Right, sir.
If MIJ is 2, then both will have same customer names.
Yes, sir. This is true. This is
True, no?
you just
Yes.
satisfied a while
Yes.
ago.
Yeah, MIJ can
Yes,
be more
sir.
than 2. No, na? MIJ cannot. Even though Ram has
Mhm.
3 bills, then we are checking with the pairs, not for the means if Ram has like 0, 5 and 10, so it will check with the 0, 5, then 5, 11 or 0, 11. For that cases, it will be maximum value 2, but it cannot be more than 2 for any IJ value. Understood what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Like
Yes,
pairwise
sir.
comparison.
sir.
It's not overall
Yes.
comparison.
Yes. Okay. Now come to the option number this 11. So now this is if you are able to understand that how MIJ is being created, then you are able to answer this one.
No, sir. I mean, sir, I didn't have issues with this question particularly, but my concern was, you see,
I understand one question is
sometimes it's
there
really
where
hard.
no. Then so that's why you should be able to consider each and every cases, because this
Hmm.
type of question carrying high marks. I mean, it will be more if 3 options say at least 4 marks is there, or 3 to 4 marks. Is there.
Anyway, sir,
Yeah.
so far it's clear, but I mean, if you have time after taking all the doubts, I have actually posted the question paper link in the chat alongside the question number. So if you're
Acha, acha.
comfortable seeing that, I mean later, not now. I'm not saying like you have to do it right now or anytime soon.
Yeah,
So
let me finish
whenever
this
you
one,
have
and then
time.
definitely I will.
Ha
go
ha
to-
ha.
Okay, chalo.
Ha ha. Okay.
Okay. Next, so see, now let us see. See, if Mij is 0, so what do you think that Mij 0 represents here?
Sir,
There is no
I
edge
mean
from I to
difference
J.
less than 100.
Others,
No.
those who are not speaking will speak. Mij is 0. What do you mean by that? Mij is 0.
you
Sir,
call me,
difference-
sir.
Difference is greater than 100.
Yes. If difference between bill I and bill J is more than 100, then this is 0. So do you think that then if Mij is 0, then do you think that Mji will be 1?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Agree. So option A is incorrect. Now check. If difference will be amount of bills I and J is 1, means less than 100, that's why it is 1. Then do you think that MJI will be also 1?
Yes.
True, no? Why?
Yes,
Because
sir.
we are checking the absolute value. Difference we are checking. So difference, if you subtract with Ram from Mohan or Mohan from Ram, both will have same value, no? But
Yes,
because
sir.
we are in terms of magnitude. So therefore option number B is correct. Let us see now. Check.
Yeah.
If Mij is 1, then MJI will be 0. This is false.
False.
If
False.
Mij is 0, then MJI will be 0.
True.
It's true, no?
True. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If Mij
Sir,
is 2, yeah.
in first option, suppose I has value 200 and J spent 50. Okay. Then
So difference is 150.
Yeah. So
Huh.
it is not true for that. It means there is no edge between I to J.
Yeah.
Okay. Now for the second condition, Ji, if we do 50 minus 200, then it is minus 150, right? Which is less than 100.
Okay. Good
No,
question.
we are
but
taking
yeah,
ABS.
yeah. So we are
The
taking
absolute
absolute
value.
value.
We are taking
Absolute
absolute value.
Can you see this?
Uh,
So minus 150, it will be how much? 150 only.
Okay. Understood, sir.
Okay. Good.
Sir, just a quick question on this. I mean, sir, for such cases, we can conclude this is an undirected graph, right?
Yeah.
I mean, if Mij
Yeah.
there is an edge and
Yeah.
Gi there is an
Yes.
edge, we can conclude. So it is undirected graph, right?
Yes.
Uh,
Okay.
for option B, we can give example of 200 and 300, right?
Which one? Which one?
For B option.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we
And
have
also-
to consider all cases according to these options, like.
Yes. Because it is saying that if this condition is 2, then what do you think that AMJI will be 2?
It means
That
that
is what. So
I
first you will
visit-
have to consider this Mij, then it will be 2. Then you will have to check that whether MJI will be also 2. That is what.
Yeah, if B is true, it means that E can be true, right? Because one customer can visit the
Yes.
store twice.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So do you think that this is a symmetric matrix?
Yes.
Me-
Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's
Yes, sir.
why this Mij will be 2, then MJI will be also 2.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes, sir,
matrix
it's
is a
symmetric matrix.
symmetric matrix.
Symmetrics.
Yes, sir.
Everybody agree on this? Others, those who haven't background of mathematics, do you understand what is the symmetric matrix?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I-
sir.
If
Okay.
someone can't speak, they can react. There is a reaction button. If no one want to speak.
Yeah. Okay. So I think everybody understood this part. Okay. Chalo.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Sir?
yeah.
How is symmetric?
Yeah. So symmetric is like so your background is not mathematics.
Sir, I know symmetric, but how option is symmetric?
I mean, can you see this? If Mij is 0, then MJI should also be 0. Then it should be symmetric matrix. So for symmetric matrix, this condition should be satisfying.
A equals A transpose.
Yeah, AMIJ, yeah, the same thing. A equal to A transpose. The same thing I'm writing in terms of A. It should be M
MJI.
J I.
Yes, sir, I understand. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. So what is the next question? I think I have finished. Okay. Next question is what? Question number 12. I have 14. Who had doubted question
Sir.
number 14? Yeah.
In,
huh.
in
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes,
can you
sir.
explain question number 13, please?
13. Okay. Good.
Yes, sir.
And I think because of length of the code, you are not able to understand, or what is the doubt here?
Sir,
No,
sir-
sir. I solved this question, but I cannot choose the options.
Acha, acha. Okay. Okay.
Sir, these long codes will not present in a TCS screen on a single window.
I totally
Yeah.
I totally understand. Totally understand. So I we are having conversation with TCS guys. So means what we are trying to say that, but question will be this much. But as you double click on that, it will appear the whole question on the screen. So that we are trying to implement for the at least for the CT questions, because
Yeah,
but it will
TCS.
not,
Mhm.
yeah, but not in this term. We will able to see in the next term, I think.
Yeah, TCS is not that much updated with these.
But only we have only option with TCS. They are only conducting in
Mhm.
such huge volume. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
others, okay. So others, those who haven't gone through that question, just read this question. My screen is visible, no?
Yes, sir.
So
Question. You can read the question. Everyone. Everyone can read the question.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No
Okay.
issue.
Okay. Okay. Give me 1 minute. I have water and okay. Okay. Please read this question. And you can discuss among yourself, but don't make noise. Okay? Agree? Hello?
okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody understood at least, like going through at least once the question.
Yeah, 20th line I did. Sir, you should ask someone to explain, like everything you explain, then you can
No, I
ask.
think time is not there. No, it's
Oh,
just
okay.
final
Oh.
class is there. Today is the final class.
Yeah.
for
Okay.
CT. I actually I wanted to do some session night actually, but I couldn't able to do. I thought that I will do at least
Just
from today.
send a mail and then they can join, sir.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
not today. I mean, today you are willing to do? Is it?
Yes, sir. No issue, sir. We can do.
No issue, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir. No issue, sir.
We can vote by raising hand.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. First, let us finish this one. Chalo. Yeah. So see, whenever you see the any very long code, you have to break into the like in
Pieces.
chunk of the chunk. I mean, you can see that this code is actually belongs to three parts. The main code. This is small where you are just creating a matrix.
Matrix
Matrix.
with
W,
list.
WIJ.
Matrix
And-
with list.
And this is the main part of the code, and this is one of the procedure. What
Procedure.
is do something the procedure,
Mhm.
and A and B is there. So you can think once you understand that what A and B does, then means that do something does, then no need to again check. No,
Yes, sir.
understand what I'm trying to say here. So
Yeah.
once you understand this part, main code is there. Then you can understand what WIJ is going to represent. Okay. Chalo.
Right, sir.
So see, my screen is visual, no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. And also, again, I'm telling, whenever if you're stuck in any problem, just take a dummy variable. Just simply, I mean, but see, this is based on the words data set. Take 2 or 3 words. That's all. But you
Yes.
should be taking in such a way that each and every line of the code should be executed. Then you will be able to reach at the correct solution, a correct option. Okay? Chalo.
Okay.
So what it is happening here? So if you see there, so W is create matrix in comma n. So what n is represent? N is the number of rows, meaning number of words present in the words data set. So it will create a matrix in comma n, in cross n. And as soon as you create, what do you think that the value will be stored? Wij, let us say Wij will be 0. I mean, see,
Yes, sir.
as soon as you write create in comma n, the will become a matrix, no? And if you say that any value Wij, what do you think it will store? 0.
Zero.
Any I.
0.
0.
Now what it is happening here? See, for each I in rows of J as rows of W, and for each J in columns W, it is checking Wij is replaced with what is
List.
that?
Empty list.
Empty list.
Yeah. So now with this one, you have updated the value of each cells. I mean, each cells. I mean, saying why? Because I'm saying for the matrix. But this is nothing but a dictionary. Wij representing what is that? Nested dictionary, no? A nested dictionary is nothing but a matrix.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you guys forget these things?
Nested dictionary inside a list.
Yeah. So inside, so this for each cells now we have replaced with that empty list. That's what you have done till line number 6. Everybody agree on this?
Yes, sir. 1
Yes,
to
sir.
6 agree.
Sir.
Okay. If anybody is having doubt, please let me know. I mean, I can explain. See, if I'm able to explain at least one question in very much detail, then no need to explain for every question. And this concept we will use in end term examination. Okay. Chalo. Now let us see what is happening here. So you have used that nested loop. One is inside another. So all concepts are covered here. Means whenever you have studied that concept, this all things are covered here. So you have used the nested loop. What it is doing? you are reading the table rows. I read the first row and move X to table 2. Okay, table 1 has more rows again. Okay, so you are comparing what you are doing. X dot word and Y dot word is not equal. So if words are not equal, obviously it was Monday morning, Swaminathan was reluctant to open his eyes. So it might have appeared twice, thrice, so many times. No, the also might have appeared soon. So for this case, if words are different, then another condition is what? Letter counts are same also. If letter counts are same, then you are going to execute line number 15. Two things, if words are different, and so sequence number will be different, no? I mean, if words for different sequence numbers, words can be same. Hello?
No, sir.
Yes,
Sequence number will be different.
a sequence number
different-
has to be different.
For the different sequence numbers, words can be same.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
no,
sir.
who is saying no?
Sir, I am.
Okay, so see, I mean, so it has start with the letter say 0, so it is appearing at 0 sequence number. Let us say it might appear at different positions also, no? So what I was
Yes.
saying that for the different sequence number, words can be same. So it might have appeared more than once. No?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Understood what I'm trying to say here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sharmila, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you are clear, no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, good. So now for the different word and the same letters count, we are X dot sequence number, Y dot sequence number. So in that key as actually the sequence number. So that's why I and J, these all are numeric values. For that you are calling do something procedure, and do something procedure. What is the input value or the parameters X and Y? X and Y is actually rows and columns. Means that information what you are sending X and Y. It will come to A and it will come to B. Means A will be X, B will be Y.
Why?
Now come here, what is exactly doing? L is equal to empty list you have created, I is equal to 1. Now we are checking I is less than A dot letter count. So it will run for the letter count. Do you think that if I have written here B dot letter count, that will give the different result? If instead of means it is written A dot letter count, no?
Letter
let us
count
say-
are same.
Yeah, so it doesn't
Letter
matter.
counts are same.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
it doesn't matter. It will run for the same number of iteration.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Either we
please-
check A or B, the
Yeah.
iterations are same.
Correct. So now we are checking P is equal to ith letter of A dot word. So what it is actually checking? The each and every letters or alphabets of the word A. So it is checking first letter, and J is equal to 1 again. And while J is less than B letter count. Now it is for the word another word which is B dot word.
Also, here J is equals to 1, like what it is representing.
It is representing integer, and if you go to the line number 28, it is checking the jth letter of V dot 1. So when J is 1, then it is checking the first letter of the V dot word. First
Okay.
letter, then it will be keep it will be increasing. Let us say I'm just I
It is
assume
like
two things. Tell me
was,
some word. No?
was and has, sir. A is common in both of them.
What is that?
Was and has.
What's and his? What is that?
WAS.
Was, sir, WS
and
was.
has.
Was
Yes, sir.
and has.
Has.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
A is common in both of them.
Yeah. So see, can you see that the words are different and letter counts are same? So you will go inside. Let us say this guy's sequence number is something. Some sequence number is there. For that we are calling X dot sequence number. Let us say this is sequence number 2, and another sequence number is like let us say 25. It can be no.
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And do something you have called. This guy do something is called. I'm just giving you example. Then it will have better picture.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Right,
you are
sir.
calling this guy X and
Why?
Y. Okay. And this X dot word is was and Y dot word is has. Okay. Now as soon as we called, we came here and we are initialize I is equal to 1. So this is generally I initialize with 1 only for the reading of letters, because
First
I
letter.
cannot initialize with 0, because 0 there is no any zeroth letter of any word. है ना?
Yeah, right, sir.
So I less than so I less than a dot later count. So I is what? While I is, you have initialized. Hey, it is becoming capital. I do not want capital. Yeah, less than equal to b dot
later
later
count.
count.
3.
Na?
Right. Sir.
Three.
It's true. As soon as it will go,
P become W.
P will be ith letter of a dot word.
First letter.
Ith. So ith means first.
First.
I is first. No.
Yes, sir. It means W.
Who had asked this doubt?
Sir, me.
Yeah. So
Sir, after this, could we also discuss the 23rd question, the last question?
yeah, I will discuss all.
Sure,
Not
sure,
worry.
sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
But it will take time because I am going to sequence now. Okay. I mean,
Okay,
1,
okay,
2,
sir.
3 like. So
So you are
P-
going sequence wise.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have completed 1 to 13,
Yeah, these are the questions I have completed.
4, 11, 12, 14. So I have doubt in 6 and 10.
You joined late.
No, sir. Now I was solving and you said no, you first solve and then came if you have doubt. And I solve whole mock test, then some are doubt. Not whole question in some line.
So I think most of the people have not solved the mock. Is it?
Yes, sir. We are solving PYQs.
No, sir. I just solved mock test.
I solved it
now,
yesterday.
Okay.
and
So
now I have doubts.
okay, let me what I am trying to first, let me finish this question, then I tell you
Yes,
the way
sir.
something.
Okay,
Maybe I
okay.
can keep 1 hour, 1.5 hour tomorrow session, but I don't think so people will join tomorrow because of the,
No, sir. We will.
We will, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. We
Please
will.
keep
Yes,
session,
we
sir.
will.
If there will be need, we will join, sir.
because there is no because there is no meaning of solving question without people
Trying.
have not solved them. Okay, but let me try whatever I have written there. So P is what? Ith letter of X dot word. I is what? 1 you have initialized.
1.
So
W.
the first letter of A dot word. What is that? A? Was.
W.
So it will be A will be
Was.
W.
W.
P will be W.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It should be like this actually. So now again you are checking with now J. J is again you have, what is that?
1.
J is 1 you have. Now again you are checking with J is less than V dot later. What is the V? 3. Again 3. So this one 3. So Q is also checked with Jth letter of V dot word. So what is that Q you have?
Of
H.
H.
H. And you are checking with if P is equal to Q. If first letter of because J is going, J is initialized with 1, so you are checking with the first letter of word A with the first letter of word B.
B.
Then if it is same, and what it is checking? Member function, everybody remember what it mean by member function?
Yes, sir.
If
It
it's
is-
in
Yes, sir.
member, then yes and no.
Yeah. So if in list L, Q is the member, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. So when you are going
False.
first time, L you have initialized as what?
Empty list.
Empty list.
Empty list.
So
Nothing
do you
is
think
there.
that what it will return this
True.
time?
It will return false, sir.
False, and not false will be
True.
True.
true. But what is there? P is what? W, and Q is H.
H.
So do you think
Is not
this will
equal.
be- Yeah,
Not
so both
equal.
are, so this will be false and this is true. So
False.
false
Overall
and
false.
true. Do you think it will go inside?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So you will not go inside line number 30. What you will at what line you will come? 32. So J will now will come 2.
Plus
2.
And this is
Yes.
closing bracket of this one.
right.
Yes, sir.
27th while loop.
This no 27. So again you will go and J you will increase to J is now J is 2, no? Because you have
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Initialize.
Yeah, so J will be now 2.
So, sir, so we compare W with every other letter of second word, right?
Yes, yeah. So now, so what is actually happening now? So outer loop is responsible for the word A
First
and
word.
inner with the B. So what you are fixing actually, W will be compared with each and every.
Then A will compare, then S will compare.
Sir,
Okay.
So, yeah.
we do not initialize every time for I.
I will see. I
I will
initialized
update it.
one. No, now so let us see one round of iteration. I just tell you how to do. So now we have come J is equal to 2. Now this is closing bracket of which one? This one, line number 27.
Yeah, while loop.
So
Yeah.
2 is less than 3. Is true or false?
It's true.
True. Now Q will become J is become 2. No, so second letter of B dot word. What is that second letter?
A.
A. Now again you will check P just still same. No, P we haven't updated anything because we are still in loop second inner loop. No, so P just still W. W is equal to A. True or false?
False.
And no need to check this one because and operator. So again this is overall false. It will come to the 3. Now J will become 3. So sorry 2. No,
J
so
will
2 we
become
have
three.
actually done. Yeah, so last time we have done. Now 2 plus 1 will become 3.
3.
J will become now 3. Again you will check 3 is less than equal to 3. True or false condition?
True.
True condition. Now J is 3. So third letter of B dot word is what? H. Okay?
S.
Sorry, S. And now we will check W is same as S. No, it's false. You will not go. Now J will become 4. So J will become 4 now. Now come here. 4 is less than 3, equal to 3.
No.
You will not go. Where is the closing bracket of this one? Line number 33. So we will come now 34.
I will increment.
So now I will become now
2.
Increment 2.
I will become 2 and this is closing bracket of which loop? Line number 24.
24.
You will
24.
check. 2 is less than equal to 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now P will become what? Second letter of the
second first word.
A.
it will become A.
A.
Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll check J is equal to J. Now J will become 1 now. We have reinitialized J. Anna? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because we are doing whole code from 24 again.
Yes. Now J will become 1. Now again J will start with the 1. So now again for word A you will compare with each and every letter of the word B. And for when J will become, so when J will be 1 again, J will be 1. What is the value of first one? Is H, no? So it will
H.
check that.
H.
Yeah. P is A is equal to H. False. It will
False.
not go inside.
Increment
Now
J.
Now J will become
2.
2. Now it will check. So J is second letter of B dot word. What is that second letter?
A.
Now it will check A is equal to A. True or
A.
false?
It's
True.
true.
True. Now it will check L comma Q. So what is the L you have?
Empty list.
Empty list. Q is what? A. So this will return overall false.
False.
But
False.
not false will be
True.
True. True and true.
So now we will go inside and what it will be? L will be
Append
L plus. So L is initially
empty
empty
list.
and Q.
A.
Q is what?
A.
A.
It will become
A.
any doubt.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now it will come here and now J will become 3. Now
Yes.
3 is less than equal to 3.
So,
Yeah.
so can you please go through with this member LQ condition again?
Yeah. So a member L. So what it is actually checking here? Member. So member. What is the L currently you have? Empty list. You haven't updated any time. And Q is there. So Q, it checks that whether in list L Q is present or not. If it is present, then member L comma Q will return as a true. Otherwise, it will return as a false. Since L is empty, we haven't updated any time.
Yes, sir.
So what do you think this whole will return? False. But not false will be what?
True, yeah.
True. So this is overall true and this is actually true. A is equal to A. So that's why we have updated the value of L. So now we have one element in your list A. Agree? Everyone?
Yes,
J
yes,
will-
yes, sir.
Now A is going
Yeah.
to be the first element in this empty list, no?
Yes, yes. Now J will become 3. Again, you will compare with H. A is equal to S. Then it will be false, this condition. Then it will not go inside. Now J will become 4. So 4 is less than equal to 3. It is
Not
false.
satisfied.
Now we will come I is equal to 3. Now we will check what is the third one? Is S.
Yes.
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 Now
So
again it will start with the I. P is equal to, sorry, Q is equal to J is equal to 1. So J is equal to 1 means H, it will be compared with H, it will be compared with A, it will be compared with S. So when J will be 3, SS will be matched, and then finally for these two it will be L will be what? What do you think?
A,
A,
comma
A comma S.
A comma S.
S.
Everybody agree on this? What is happening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you go through, please, just question number 6?
Question number 6.
Yes. sir.
Yeah, just
let me
let-
finish this one. No?
right.
This code is haven't finished. I have. So,
Okay.
So for this W, let us say what I have assumed, W225 will store AS. And what do you think? Both are common in that, no? L and S.
Yes, sir.
So it is a storing the in word 2 and 25, or words, you can say X dot word and Y dot word, whatever the common alphabets
Element.
are there, or common letters are there, that is just stored in that matrix.
List.
Matrix,
And
as a
in
matrix,
list, sir,
as a
this will
list.
be
Yeah.
distinct, unique,
And this will be distinct. Why? Because we are also checking this one. Do you think
not
that
member.
let us say Q is coming again? Let us say A is coming again in this case. So A is already in this member. For this, let us say in this case it was okay. Another case, let us say another word, two
A,
words are there.
A.
Like let us say L-I-double-T,
A.
little. Or maybe let us say I'm just doing something like this. Words are
Yeah.
there and some random I'm checking. And let us say letter C,
Cool,
B,
sir, cool.
B, A, C. No. So it should be 2 times.
Double. A double.
Yeah. So for this case, what do you think? Sorry. For this case, what do you think it will be returning? I mean, what will be the L?
A, B,
List should look like A and
A,
B.
B, C.
No, only A and B.
Oh, sorry, yeah. A and B only.
Even though A has appeared twice, it will be only one. Why? Because you are checking that member here.
Yes, sir.
If
It
member
is
is already present, this will return what? True. Not true will be
False.
false. So even though this condition is true, but because of this condition,
This
it will
condition
not
is
go inside. That's
false.
why it will avoid the duplication.
Yeah.
Agree?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Right.
Okay. So that's why it will store only the unique common element, common letter. So if you see that the options Wij, what it will actually, it is saying that what Wij will represent. So you can see the list of distinct letters, okay, which are present in both words I and J with different letter count. Do you think different letter counts? No, na? Why? Because you are checking for the same letter count. Hai words X and Y means I and J both have to same letter count.
Yes,
So this
sir.
option number A is incorrect. Now check to the option number B. List of distinct letters which are not present So this is, you have to just simply reject because you are just storing the common letters. Okay. Option number C, list of distinct letters which are present in both words I and J with the same letter count. So this looks correct. No, it's a
Yes, sir.
distinct letters
Yes, sir.
as well as both letters.
Same letter count.
Both have same letter count. Option number D, list of distinct letters which are not present. Just reject it. Not it is same. It will be more. Means the option can be done more complex if I have not written distinct. I have just list of letters which are common. So that would have more complex. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So 6 numbers.
Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good. So question number 13 I have done. 14, who had doubt in question number 14?
Sir, me, sir.
What is your doubt in this?
Sir, I didn't understand the line 14 to 16.
14 to 16.
Yeah.
Okay. So 14 is 16. If length of A and K is equal to 1, so length of AK. So obviously AK will be representing some list. AK. But A might be a dictionary. That is what it is saying. So you should understand how A will look like. I think if you see the, I think in detail it is written there. I mean, but I tell you what is that it is representing.
Sir, tomorrow there will be sessions.
I think I have to keep.
So please keep one because we only have one session that is the starts for the whole
Sir,
day.
stat is I think 8 to 10 or 6 to 8.
Yeah.
Stats are now sessions are there 8 to 10.
Now and tomorrow also, sir.
What time they have?
I think.
Sir, tomorrow it's 6 to 8.
Tomorrow, what time? 6 to
6 to 8.
Okay, then maybe I will keep in the afternoon. 2 to 4 will work for you guys.
Yes,
Sure,
sir. No,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, no issue, sir.
Or 3 to 5. Which one?
No, sir, 2 to 4, sir, because after that.
Okay, so let me finish this question and then I mean you guys have to attend start session also. Sorry, I mean.
Okay.
So, sir, I'll see solution and then if I have doubts, tomorrow I'll get back.
Yes. So please go through the solution.
I'll
And
see
if you
the
are still, so if you are still have doubt, let me know tomorrow. I will just schedule one session right now.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what will be
Yes.
tomorrow's timing? What
I mean, it will
tomorrow?
be either 2 to 3:30 or 3 to 4:30. Okay, that will be good, no? Morning, before 10, I don't think so.
Sir, please 2 to 3:30 because
2 to
in
3:30.
evening we will
Sir,
have
one,
to
yes, sir,
arrive
2
to
to
the
3:30, sir.
But that is the just after lunch. People will feel sleepy.
Sir, can you keep around 6 p.m.?
Sorry?
So 6 p.m. stat is
Can
there.
you keep it around 6 p.m. like 4 to 6 like that
2 to
kind of
4
time?
is good time. 2 to 4 is
Yeah,
good
But
2
the
to
stat
4.
sessions are there, no?
Yeah.
So 4 to 6 we can keep like CT and 6 to 8 like stats.
No,
This can
continuous.
also.
That's why.
No,
No.
Continuous.
Yeah.
That's why. Do you think?
Sir, after
Sir,
day after
give a
tomorrow,
gap,
we have
sir,
the
sir.
quiz.
Yeah.
So
That's why I'm
it's
giving
not
a
good
gap
idea.
actually.
Yes.
Sir,
2 to 4 is perfect, sir.
2 to 4 is perfect.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
absolutely, sir.
So what do you guys, should I start this question? Otherwise it will go more than 8 o'clock. Or should I start from tomorrow? And by the time you revise this solution, if you are still have doubt, let me know. That
Yes,
sounds
sir.
good, or what do you think?
Tomorrow.
tomorrow, sir.
Sir, in the meantime, like if other person are leaving, I have some doubts here. So if you could help me with them.
Actually, sir,
okay.
there is a mistake in graded assignment also.
Which graded assignment?
Week 10. TA.
Okay, so what I do, I am currently I'm not solving that mock question papers.
Okay, sir.
I just take few doubts. Those who are having a stat session, please join that one because that is also important. And we'll start from tomorrow 2 to 3:30. Okay, that time is for everyone. Time is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you provide a PYQ question link, please?
PYQ question, what is it?
Previous year question,
Previous
sir.
year.
Oh my
Oh.
God. I do not know these short forms actually. Sorry.
We play in the Delhi meet.
Sorry. Delhi meet.
In Delhi meet, we also play the short form game.
Oh. True. But see, we were very bad in that. Couldn't able to answer anything. Yeah. So yeah, tomorrow we will have session from 2 to 3:30 or 4 it will go. But today I'm not going to solve further question for whatever the remained question. I will try to solve tomorrow, because if you haven't tried, no, but there is no meaning of solving. Okay, and solutions are there. Please go through that. If you have still doubt, I will clear the doubts. Other than that, now if someone is having doubt, I will just try to answer that one. And
Yes, sir. Can you
Yes,
check
sir. Yes, sir. Doubt.
graded assignment week 10? There is a mistake in question number 6.
which one?
Graded assignment week 10.
Week 10, question number?
Question number 6.
So did you check through the solution? In solution also it is.
I discussed it with TA. He said that there is no
Question-
meaning of comparison books with authors.
Question number 6, this one.
In line number 11, sir. Here I is given as book for each I in keys of books, right?
Book, how book will look like? Book is a dictionary.
Yes, sir.
And what is the keys of books? It will be mostly in the sequence number.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you check in the previous question, I think in that. So book, how book is being created?
It is like B option is right.
Yeah,
for
so
that.
book is, so what it is actually happening? No, so this is the book dictionary, book is there. So this is the sequence number of the, this is actually good question. It's not, this is correct question. Not.
But TA says that there is no meaning of comparison books with authors. Like in question number 6, na 11th line.
No. So this is different. These author are, let's see what it is happening. There are M books.
Like we give.
And there are N authors are there.
Okay.
And a book can be written by different authors, more than one. So something is written is okay. At least 2 authors. So that serial number book which has 0 is written by 3 authors, 0, 2, and 3. So this is different and this is different. So what we are doing, if we are writing keys of D, means you are writing for the books, not for the author. Now we come here in question number
6,
11. So if you are writing I and J, and if you are keys of books, means it is representing the book sequence number.
Yeah, it is representing book sequence number. It is first book we say 0. Okay. For each J in book of I, it means that we move inside to the value of books.
Yes.
Author.
Now,
okay.
Yeah. So now if you write book I, then in this case, maybe that book is written by more than one author. That is actually representing as a list, no? I mean.
Right, sir.
Yeah, list.
Let me tell what I understand according to this. Okay, so from J we get like author 2. Okay, for each K we say we get author 3 K, 4 K, and for H we say 2, 3, and for H say 4. Okay. In line number 11, if I is representing a book sequence number, na. I is a book sequence. So from here we get only book. We can't compare book with author J, because J is representing the value inside the book. The authors.
Okay. I understood what you're trying to say. That
it should be compared with K. K is not equal to J.
JK
because
and JK, JH and KH. Okay, yeah. So this here it should be
typing
JH,
mistake.
KH, and what is the other pair?
KJ.
Yeah. Here it should be KJ.
Right. It should be a typing mistake, no?
Yeah.
This is what I'm saying, no? Like comparing.
Understood. You understood? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Others?
Sir, I have
Sir?
general doubt.
Yeah. One. Please raise your hand. I think Abhishek, you have to also raise your hand, please.
Okay,
Or
sir.
please
Sorry.
mute yourself.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sir, can I ask?
But Sign is very fast in raising hands.
So you just said and I did it.
Sir,
But let her ask. Actually, she's asking for a long. Yeah. Tell me.
sir, I have general doubt. Sir, how to calculate the assignment bonus marks? Can you know?
Bonus marks, why are you worried about bonus marks? 2 or 3, how much bonus marks is there? I think if you answer on discourse or create something, is that then you will be getting bonus
Sir,
marks.
because my bonus marks is 0.
Sorry?
Sir, I have got bonus marks is 0.
Who got bonus marks? Anybody has got bonus marks? Here?
So bonus marks for my portal, it's showing 6, but I got a mail that for
Yes,
now it's showing
CT
6
is
till
6.
week 8.
Sir, for me, PA in practice assignment bonus marks, it is showing 6 for CT, but in math and English, it is
Maths and
showing
English is 0.
0, right? It is also
Yeah.
for me.
So for CT, it is showing something, no?
No, sir, actually there is some error. So they said after the quiz, they are gonna remark them.
Yes,
So
yes.
Where
We'll-
are
we'll-
these bonus marks?
in dashboard.
In the dashboard.
Hey, bonus marks is 2 or 3. How much marks it is there? 2 to 3 marks only, no?
6,
No,
sir.
sir,
No,
CT
so
is
we
6.
get out of 10 or something. So like for 6,
Out
we have
of
got
10,
for
so we are
week
getting.
10.
Yeah.
You
sir,
guys
out
are
of 10.
you guys are not worried about 100 marks and you are worried about bonus marks.
And so some portals are not showing any marks at all.
No, like I guess we for
Mine
now we
is
should
not
focus
showing
on
anything.
quiz.
Yeah,
Yeah,
mine
mine is
refresh.
also not showing anything.
Bonus
like,
mark
no.
discussion is over. Other doubts. Bonus marks. I am not teaching for bonus thing.
Yes, sir, please take the quiz.
Sir, I have a doubt, only doubt. My
Yeah,
doubt.
please. Yeah.
So in week 11, there was a question, a 10th question. I didn't know how to get
Do
through
that.
it.
Did you check the solution?
So I
No?
asked the teacher,
Who?
Rohan sir.
Rohan Acha. Rohan is also taking. Yeah, he is the TA for that. Yeah. So did you go through the solution actually? So solutions are there. Okay,
So
tell me. Which question?
actually, I don't get the if I just understand the solution, why should I come to you?
Oh my God. Okay. Sorry. Tell me which question number?
So there was a shopping question which has answer like every pair one.
But you have to tell the question number at least, no? I mean,
10th, I guess so. Mm,
in graded assignment, but this is different question, I think.
okay, sir.
I mean, which question? I mean, this is not the pair type of thing. This is the DFS.
Sir, graded assignment 9th, I have question.
Oh my God! Now, okay. So, what should I tell me? What's your name actually? I mean, I'm not able to find your question. Can you? Repeat?
Sir.
Huh.
10th week, sorry, sir. 10th week and 9th question.
Graded.
Yes, sir.
Question number 10.
No, sir, 9.
9. Sorry. Yeah.
So what is it is doing, sir?
Yeah. So see what it is happening here, no? I mean, so the following pseudocode is executed using the shopping bills data set. Each customer is being assigned a unique index between 0 to n minus 1. So each customer is being assigned a unique index between 0 to n minus 1. So here is a different scenario. So their bills are assigned to a unique ID, I mean sequence number. Remember that the words data, the shopping bill data set, we had each bills has unique sequence number. No?
Yes, sir.
But here we are assigning each customer. So Ram, if I say the Ram will have only one unique number. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Whereas in earlier case, when we had a shopping bill data set, Ram can have more than one wheel. Correct, no? And therefore
Yes,
it
sir.
can have more than one sequence number. So here is a different scenario. Just understand that each customer is being assigned a unique index number 0 to n-1.
Okay.
Dictionary D has been already computed with keys. Okay. So you have what is that? Do you consider? I mean, what's your name? It is saying the sky.
Sir,
What is your name?
Sanjoli.
Sanjoli. Yeah. So do you consider generally that rough data, means dummy data, what I used to consider for each? Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. So D is a dictionary. It is talking about D has already been computed with keys as an index and values as a list of distinct shops visited by corresponding customer. So let us say D, how your D will look like. So let us say some guy, I mean some customer has index number 5 and it is a stored is a list of distinct, means that customer might have visited shop more than once particular, so like Big Bazaar he has visited. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And let us say he has also visited Sun General. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Another customer, let us say one, it has he has visited 2 times SVS store. So should I write 2 times or 1 time?
So one times because
1 time, no? Because it is saying that distinct.
distinct. Yes, sir.
Understood. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
the way they have these calculated or computed. Assume that there exists a procedure intersection. So there is a procedure called intersection. What it does, it takes 2 lists as the input and output another list, which contains the common element in the input list. So what it is actually, so previous question, what we are doing, we are sending 2 words and what it is returning, unique alphabets which are common or unique letters common to the both words. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the same thing it is also doing, but in terms of shopping wheel. I mean, so if I send here, I mean, let me write here. I mean, one more. Let us say he has visited Big Bazaar one more time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And let us say all shops he has visited. Okay. To make it
SV.
Okay. Sanjay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if I write here intersection, I mean some return value, let us say T, and intersection, if I write here, people are here. I mean, so people do not have that class is not started.
Sir, which class?
What is that?
Status.
Yes, sir. It has been started 8 to 10 only.
Yeah, so that's why I was thinking that to stop session. Okay, no problem. Yeah, Control C. Yeah. So what do you think it will return here?
So BB and ST.
Yes. So this is the case it is happening here. I mean.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it out clearing section?
Sorry, can you please repeat what you're saying?
Is it out clearing section or PYQ?
What are you saying? I didn't understand. PY previous year. Okay, just now I learned that previous. This is not a previous year question. This is previous graded assignment question, not previous. That graded assignment week 10. I'm explaining that one.
Yes,
What's your
I
name?
Week
What's your name?
Oh, Geeta.
Geeta. So please raise your hand. I will call your name according to the sequence. Okay? Because I'm taking another doubt. Someone else doubt. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. But one thing I have promised to others that I will take one more session from 3. So tomorrow from 2. At that time I will be solving the questions. What should I do? If I keep going, then that guys will be angry. No? What to do? Tell me. Yeah. So just I think let me complete at least this question. Yeah. Okay. So if you check that now, let us see what it is happening. What Mij is going to store. So n is the length of keys of D. So if keys of D will be what? D is, you have the this one sequence as
sequence numbers of
yeah,
the
index number of
customers.
the customer, and
Yes, sir.
corresponding value is the shops visited by him.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as soon as you go the first for, so when you go to the first one matrix, it will create a matrix n comma n. Now you are going for each rows and each column, and when I and j is not equal to j, means it is a stopping for the diagonal elements, principal
Yes, sir.
diagonals. Okay, principal
Yes,
diagonal.
sir.
There are two diagonals in a matrix. And I'm talking
Yes,
about
sir.
the principal from left to right. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So matrix Ij is equal to intersection of Dij. So what do you think matrix Ij will store? It will store what?
The common elements.
Yeah, the common shops visited by
Yes, sir.
customer I and J.
Yes, sir.
Because intersection you have is, otherwise it will be
Empty list.
yeah, means if I and j is not same for the principal diagonal elements, there will be empty list. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So what do you think that matrix Ij will look like? If I do you think this will be a symmetric matrix? Meaning Mij will be same as Mji?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. So matrix Mij will look like a symmetric matrix because you are checking pair, I mean you are checking the common elements between the two. So either you check first from I and j, or j and I both will return the same value, no? The intersection.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Others, the other 20 students, other 19 students actually. Is it clear for you guys?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So you have created a matrix, and that matrix represents the intersection. I mean, if I talk about matrix Ij, it tells that the value matrix, if I say matrix I and j, matrix I and j, it tells that customer I and customer j, the common
the common shop
the
they have
list of-
visited.
list of shops,
Common shops, sir.
yeah, list of common shops, unique common shops, or distinct, है ना? List
Yes,
of
sir.
unique or distinct,
Unique. Distinct.
distinct common
Common
shop.
shop.
ठीक है ना?
Okay, sir. I understood, sir. Okay.
Sorry.
I understood, sir.
Okay, good. Question you have understood, or I should now question number 9 it will come, no? And
Yes,
10.
sir. Yes, sir.
So now we have to. So did you do like this, Sanjoli?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna say the way I'm trying to explain here. Did you do like this?
Sir, I have tried it by myself. Then I didn't get the meaning of this intersection only.
Now, so Mij now we understood, no? What
Yes,
matrix
sir.
is. Now we try to do then. Then if
Okay,
you are
sir.
not doing, then I will explain tomorrow for others
Okay, sir.
also. Okay, na?
Okay,
Because
sir.
now this is clear. So please, so for everyone, I'm saying that if you have any doubt, just take a random. See what I have done. I've just taken some random values, and based on that, I'm trying to see the code and try to write the. Also, please don't think and go to the next line of the code. Please write on your notebook somewhere. Rough extra sheets are given in the
Yes.
interim examination. Please write something on there. Then you will have a clear picture. See, if I also keep all things in mind, sometimes I do mistakes. So that's why I used to write, so that you will also see what is happening line by line. I haven't done anything extra. Whatever this paragraph is saying, that I have
Right, sir.
written here. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Yeah.
Thank you,
Sai-
sir.
Yeah. Please try, Sanjoli. Please try, and if you have any doubt, please ask tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good. So next, science, tell me.
Sir, I actually posted the question paper link in the chat, and I also posted the question number alongside. It's a previous year question paper, so if you're comfortable with it.
In chat you have posted.
Yes, Zoom chat.
Question number 35.
Yes, I mean under CT, question number 35.
This one, yeah.
Yes, sir, this one.
So for solving 34 and 35, I need to check this one, no? 33. So this from where it starts? 32 or from where?
Yeah, yes, sir. Up there, sir, the first statement over there. Yes, sir.
It starts from 29. Yeah. Okay.
And
So
there are
what's
still
your
some details that are up there.
So it is saying that the following pseudo code generates a graph G from chess. Each node corresponds to a player. Okay. So you have for each node there is a player. Actually, it is representing a player. Means player is mostly a index.
Sir, there is a similar question in GA11, question number 5.
Question number 5.
Yeah, win-loss situation where they are catching.
Okay, but let me check here. And there is an edge from I to J if player I has beaten player J at least one. So if there is an edge from I to J if player I has beaten player J at least one. Okay? It can be beaten more than one. Hannah? Guys.
Yes,
I mean,
yes,
sir.
Beaten at one time.
So the basics, so my question is the basics are quite clear.
But
basics
what
are
is
quite
your
clear.
doubt?
I mean, I totally understood the thing. So the doubt is in that specific pseudocode in question 35, actually. You
Okay, let me
see,
check. Which
in
age
question
is associated
35.
with?
No, sir, not this one. Question
Wait,
35, it's 29 actually.
Let me read now, then I will be able to tell you.
Okay.
That also, I don't remember. Actually, I don't remember also what is that, but I have to read that question. It is exactly.
Okay, sir.
Which node is associated with label T? So also it tells the label actually also. So so this is actually leveled graph. No, we have also I think explained this one, leveled graph.
Yes, sir, we had a conversation
associated with the level T that denotes that I has beaten player J T times in the tournament. Choose the correct code fragment to complete the pseudo code. Okay, so the question number
35, sir.
35, yeah.
This code, sir. I mean, sir, I mean, now I'm going to tell you what is my specific doubt actually. I mean, sir, not specifically this code, but sir, there are similar questions. They just change the code in that if condition. If mij equals 0, it is in this question. I totally understood why this is that thing. But but in the next similar question or the next set, I should say the next set of this similar questions, they had mij equals 1. And the condition were totally changed. In the answer, it was when I is not beaten by any other player. So, sir, how are we actually playing with the words over here, or what is actually happening in the back end? I have no idea.
Okay. So you are saying that if mij is equal to 1, then answer is when I is not beaten by any player.
So, sir, what I thought is like from mathematics, since like we did in mathematics, like rows are for out degree. So if there is an edge from I to J, so columns would take like how many players I have beaten in that tournament. So when we are taking as 1, so that means how we are taking like how many players in that tournament have beaten I or something. So I took it in such a way, but I actually want a concrete statement to prove it.
Yeah, so for this one, when I has not beaten by any other player, is it? For when mij is equal to 1, for that case you wanted.
No, sir, he meant like if ij is 1, double equals to 1, then option A is true. Is that so? And if it is 0, then option D is true.
So if mij is 1, then I is not beaten by any player.
Yes, so what is the major difference between option A and D? I has beaten every other player, or I is not beaten by any other player?
No, so for mij is equal to 0, then for every j. So for every, so I is actually, yeah. So I you have inserted and you are going through each and every column. Okay. So you're checking with the I. So for I, let us say some value is there, and you are checking for every j. So if it is returning true, if it is returning true, means it haven't gone inside, meaning this condition is never true. Means for all value of j, means I is constant, no. Let us say for particular, it is checking for the each and every column. So for everything, it is actually 1. That's why it will not go inside, it will return true. So in this case, I has been not beaten by anyone. So I has beaten every other player. That is the mean, no?
Sir, that I mean, sir, this
now,
sir, this logic is fine, but the reverse thing, sir, I want to know actually, like
now
should
now
we
let us
interpret
see.
that?
Yeah. So now let us see if you are saying that if mij is equal to 1, okay? For that case, it should return false. That is what you are saying, no?
Exactly.
So let us see if 1 is there. So I has so it should, so if amij is equal to 1, meaning I have beaten everyone. I mean, for each, if all the cases are there, it has beaten everyone. No, just a minute, yeah. So if mij is equal to 1, okay, that's why this case is returning true. When mij is equal to 1, no, so Cyan,
Sir, I actually found the question. I'm not just sharing the paper because it's gonna be very hard for you to open, find, and all that. But sir, I found the exact condition. It's mij greater than 0. Oh, okay, sir. I'm sharing.
Yeah. So because that will be easy. Yeah, you have shared.
Sometimes these words are like confusing.
Yeah, but you should be.
Sir, I have shared.
Yeah. So tell me the question number.
34, I guess. 34, I guess. 34, 35, something like that.
This one, no? So yeah, when will procedure special return greater? It will return true. Means for all cases, it should have greater than 0. So greater than 0. Did we change anything in previous cases? Anything?
No, sir. I mean, the main statements are same. I mean, some cases are different. I mean, true false questions are different. Let's say if the graph is in the past set, it was acyclic. So they are asking in the set if it's cyclic or something. Only that thing is changed. Otherwise, everything is same, sir. Main statement is also same.
Okay.
So, yeah.
San, see, let us say it is mij is mji actually. Understood?
JI.
MJI.
Okay.
It should be. So now you have an interchange.
I didn't see that. Yeah.
You have to be
So,
very
sir,
careful.
again, sir. Yes, sir. But sir, again, my question is for any directed graph, it's not symmetric. So even if we take the transpose, so how the wordplay changes?
No, if symmetric, then there will be no meaning. I mean, for saying this. But if it is not symmetric, then this matters. I mean, if I has beaten J, doesn't mean J has also beaten I. No. So in this case, this is not a symmetric matrix. Understand?
But sir, another I totally get it, sir. So that is the reason, because we are checking the reverse condition. That's why it's like that.
Yes.
Okay. I need to be more careful.
Please be careful with what we are actually. So we are guys, others, what we are actually wearing here, J, and J is actually the first one. Means you have wearing the row, not the column. Previous case we are wearing the column. Understand? So this is JI.
So here, first we are checking column, then we check row.
Yeah,
This
means
is-
it is checking that now J is 0, then whether 0 has beaten I or not, then 2 has beaten I or not, 3 has beaten I or not, 4 has beaten I or not, like that you are checking. Earlier you are checking that I is fixed, then 1 has beaten here, ulta, you are checking here.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So for
Sir-
these type of questions, what you do, let's just take a 3 or 4 cross 4 matrix, just create a matrix and try to understand what is actually happening, is how it will vary actually.
Yeah, without creating matrix, it is difficult.
It will be little bit difficult to understand, but once you create, no, it will be very much easy. But if you are intelligent enough without doing that, when if you are able to understand, it's good actually. It's fine. Okay, yeah.
Sir,
And the
another
same
question in
question
that
paper.
same paper, sir, question 41.
Yeah, this is actually what is that question? I mean, color me. This is very. I mean, this came to the qualify. I mean, end sem examination.
Yes, sir. It's like
Okay.
2021, I guess. I didn't. I mean, I don't
Yeah.
remember the paper year actually. I mean,
Yeah,
sir, from
yeah.
maths point of view, we can solve it, but it's not gonna be
Yeah.
the same according to this algorithm. So it's really hard.
Yeah, yes, it's tough. I mean, so for that much time spent, it is tough to understand this question. But it's good actually. You need to have at least draw 2 or 3 3 cross 3 or 4 cross 4. Then you will be able to understand what is actually happening. Because in this case, you are using
We can
color.
consider the graph given in the below.
I mean, yeah. From
yeah,
this,
here.
you can create and then try to do what is happening.
But
So
we have
so you create a matrix. No, so M is there. Create a matrix M for this one. So
6 by 6 matrix.
Yeah, 6 by 6, 0 to 2, and 2 to 0. There will be one other like that you create. Means 1 1, and then try to, when you call this guy color me with aim 0 and empty dictionary, what it is happening.
Sir,
Understand?
actually I've done that, but this is actually too much calculative.
Yeah,
And
yeah, too
even
much
after-
calculation.
So
yeah,
And like 20 minutes I spent, and even after that, it didn't give proper explanation. Like
yeah, I totally. I
answer.
will explain. I think I will explain this question tomorrow. This is very good question and very. I mean, it's not tough, I can say, but yeah, this is a good question actually, because we have used a recursion here, and people always confuse that if you call recursion, it will come here, not it will go out of this one. When we are returning, no, for that particular, it will return back here. It will store in value C. Then again, it will continue. So that make confusion a lot. But I will explain this question in. I will take example. What example is already here? This from this graph, I will explain
So,
this.
sir,
Yeah.
in pseudocode second line, cure is equal to 1. So it means that we are starting from the node number 1, right? Okay, node number 1, then we can follow the DFS tree and BFS tree, whatever given in the procedure.
No. So this is as you call the same 0 and a dictionary, this will be stored here.
0 is the node.
Yeah, I is equal to 0. It is starting with 0, no?
Okay, 0.
Yeah.
It is starting with 0.
Yeah, and
then what is cure here?
No, some parameters. So not is just a value. I mean.
Okay.
It's an integer variable, you can say. I is equal to 1. Then you are checking I is less than C of J. So I is actually either it will be 0 or 1. No. If you see this.
And this is not a DFS tree actually. It is something else. It's
this is not DFS tree actually.
Okay.
So it is what we did in maths 1. I mean, like 2-color theorem, 3-color theorem. That thing it is. Like if we color one node with
the
so
coloring
adjacent
part
food won't be same colored or something. That thing.
Yeah.
So sir, at some part, I'm gonna tell you exactly what issue I'm having. So sir, at one node, either 2, 2 or 5, I'm just getting stuck over there. After that, I'm not getting any values. I mean, either I'm getting the same value for adjacent nodes or something.
Yeah, because this at that time you will think that this should come out this procedure, but at that time you have to come back here itself. You are not supposed to come out from this procedure. See how return will work from where you have called. No, this return will go to the value where you have called. So it will
Yes.
come back here. I mean, it will keep calling until some final value termination condition is not achieved, like return C, like that. So I will explain this one. It's not a 2-minute question. I will explain this question. It's a very good question.
Okay, sir.
And I will explain.
Sir, we will have this kind of question in the end because it is too much hard.
I'm avoiding of these type of questions, so don't worry about this. Okay.
Oh, thank you, sir. Because it was, it
Okay, sir,
took-
another
it
thing.
took
I mean, sir, a
15
general
minutes.
doubt. I mean, sir, what can we expect in end term? I mean, I'm not asking to tell us anything about the question
No, so
paper.
if you,
I
if
mean,
you have
overall, what would be your suggestion?
yeah, so if the something the dictionary list, these concepts should be pretty much clear. It should be crystal clear. Then, because see, there will be some question you will be able to pass based on that week 1 to 4. Some questions will be there, you will be able to get 10 to 15 marks, like that. Something is there. I don't know the exact, but if you do list and dictionary, you will go to the above average. And because not above average also, because list and dictionary is used in the graph theory and this matrices, DFS, all the things.
Yeah.
Then you will be, if you are able to that questions also, matrices and the graph theory, DFS, recursion, then you will have a more than 70, like that marks is there. But some questions are there, need to think, and then you will be, because the question is like that, average, more than average, and that's medium, average, and the tough part, guys who are going to do, they have spent little more time, or they have a little bit better understanding of the code. So if people are okay with the list and dictionary, at least they will pass. That's some suggestion. Okay.
So in the same paper, if you can explain question number 42.
This one.
42, like I even for like
yeah, 42,
like 43, 43,
43.
sir. I basically understood the code, but just I'm asking the simple question. Like they said there are only 2 clicks. So I guess there is an edge if they are from the same city and same gender. So like how the clicks will be like in such question, and I have seen like there are questions on click. So how to figure out how many clicks there will be and how to find if there is a cycle. So what is the basic thing we should look? Just an overview, sir.
Yeah, so clicks are actually when you have a cycle. Clicks are when you have undirected type of things, and when they have a like n members are there, then there should be at least how many every member should be connected with at least n-1 number of edges. To understand from this one, you need to actually draw that one for at least one cases. You will be not able to tell that yeah, this is going to be click or this, because you should be understanding for what cases Bij is going to be created. There is something related is there, and how it is going to be related is what for what value this A is related is going to return true. Then you are going to update the value of Bij, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And once you get the Bij, then you can easily draw the graph.
So in this, so in this case, like it is for the city and the gender. So basically, if we roughly see, does it depends in this case on the cities? The number of cities would be equals to the number of clicks in this.
Number of cities will be same as number of clicks. No, because see, some
and
cities
gender answer. So the gender
is also there, no? Same gender and same city, no?
So it will be more than actually the city and town, because even gender is taken into consideration. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So because of the gender, I think there will be only 2 clicks, no?
No, sir, they have said there are not 2 clicks actually. That's why
they are sorry, they are
because both the condition have to be satisfied. They have to be from the same city and
correct,
the same
correct.
gender.
Yeah. So thing is that here is situation will
So
be
there will be more than
correct. For the same city, there can be like gender and male and female is there, na? So for male same city. Now another city is there. There is another female and male click will be there. है ना?
So it
Yes.
will be like yes sir, like city into 2. If every
correct,
city is having every like male and female both,
Yes,
so it will
true,
be
true,
city
true.
into 2.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why there will be not only 2. Yeah, true. Yeah. This is also actually a good question. Yeah.
So
Okay. So what I do, I will also if you have some doubts in other questions, please make ready. I will clear tomorrow from 2. And also the remaining remaining mock questions. First, I will start with the remaining mock questions. I will explain that one, and also please go through that solution. If you still have doubt, please ask. And
Sir,
Sir,
are these previous year questions being sent somewhere? Because I don't have access to them. I tried to look, but I don't. Have they been shared so far in any group?
No, from our end, we haven't shared. These guys have got from somewhere.
So
from
is
seniors.
it has not been officially sent, or it
No,
hasn't been so
not
far,
from
because
us.
I tried to look, but I didn't find anywhere. But
yeah, it's not there. You guys, if you want, you can get from these guys. They will share you with you. Okay.
You can find it in the opennotes.in, that website.
I
Or
have
if you're a
posted
term
the
student, then
link.
okay. So
posted the
another
link,
thing
so
is,
you
if you're a term student, I mean, if you're a term student, then you
So
are
who is maintaining
assigned
this
to
website?
houses.
So
Sir,
one of our
students, sir.
One of our students is maintaining this.
Oh my God.
Lot of sites are there, sir.
In Explore, if we go, we have notes and question papers and
Everything's over there.
Very good.
I
very
mean,
good.
basically, sir, notes and question papers are there for previous
very
year
helpful.
and subjects. Yeah.
Oh. Okay, good. Very good, actually.
Sir,
So
sir,
tell me.
but before we end, like I have posted questions on this course, like it has been 3 days, but those have not been answered. So if we could.
Sorry. Please repeat. What did you say?
Sir, I had doubt and I have posted that on this course, but no one has replied over there. It's been 3 days.
Okay,
now.
can you tag actually? So those who are handling.
I have tagged you, sir. I have tagged you and Karthik sir as well.
I actually am not looking actually questions. I mean not handling the discourse actually. So okay, maybe I will check with them. I will check that one with Karthik.
Yes, sir,
Maybe
because we are
Hello, sir.
having an intern.
True.
So if you
Yeah.
please.
Someone else is actually taking care of.
So whom should I tag as well? I have tagged
I think-
Karthik sir and you.
I think let me. I think TAs are actually handling. Let me check. And you have tagged me. You tagged me.
Yes, sir. Yes, I have tagged.
Okay. I will check then. Okay.
hello,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, I might not be able to join your session tomorrow, but there is one doubt that I want to raise. If you have time, can we discuss a question? It's from graded assignment, if it's possible.
Graded assignment question.
Sir, actually, I have raised this question once and twice and so far, but I want to raise it again because it is I'm still not very able to get how to what is the why is it wrong. So if you can if we can discuss it for a small period of time and you can explain it as well.
Yeah, tell me.
So graded assignment 6, question number 4.
Week 6, no?
6. Week 6. Question
Are you
number
able to see
4.
my screen?
Yes, sir.
And did you go through the solution?
Yes, sir.
Question
Sir,
number?
actually, a new question number 4. Question number 4 from week. Sir, I have gone through the solution and the solution that is correct. I had actually written it and I was going to mark it, but then I changed it and went to the wrong solution. But I that's what I want to discuss because I don't think that it's completely wrong, but that's what I want to discuss. That's yes, sir.
I think
Question
this question
number
I
4.
have checked. I mean, I have explained.
Sir, you have we had discussed this. I don't like I.
So please,
Sir,
so I said, see,
no, sir.
week 6
The
opens.
question. No, I have no doubt in the question, but I have another solution that I want to propose, and if you can check whether it is why it is wrong and like why it is not acceptable.
Okay,
Yeah,
I understood. So where's other possible solution you want?
Yes, sir. There is another possible solution. Sir, here the answer is given as error in line 2, 7, and 16. So while I was doing it,
7 and 16.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So when I was doing it, I came across two answers. Line number 2 and 7 were my choices. Like I had known that they were wrong. But then I came across a contradiction. Like we can find error in line number 16. Sorry, line number 2, 7, and 16 are the answer.
Line 2, 7, and 16.
7 and 16, yeah. So I came across two solutions. Like error 2 and 7 are there, but either we can correct line number 16 or we can correct line number 6 and 19.
6
so
and
if
19.
if you go through the pseudocode, then we'll see it in detail. The pseudocode says that we have to accept a shop's name, and additionally, each customer must be represented exactly once. So what
understood.
we are doing
Understood. What's your name actually?
Yes, sir.
Your name?
Sir, my name is Athar.
Athar, yeah. So what you are trying to say is the 16 and 7, 16 and 19. Sorry,
no,
6 and 19.
Yeah.
So you will say here.
We will make
false.
Present false, and
you will
then
make it false, and you will make it not. You will remove not.
Yeah.
Okay. But
yes,
let me check what will happen if we do that. Okay. So you will return here as a false, is it?
Yes, sir. It will return here as a false, and when it will go there, so it will be false. That means like
it will not update.
It will add it. Like if it will be like if false, then it will not add. Because the name
not is not there, no?
Yeah, yes, sir. Not is not there. See, if x is double equals to name, then only it is false. That is, the name has occurred more than once, so it will not add.
So here you are saying not should be
not is
there.
To be removed, yeah, and present is to be made false. So what will happen is when x is double equals to name, that is, the name has occurred more than once, so it will return false, and there it will, because there is not is not there, so if false, then it will not add. So that, and if the name is not there, then the 16th line will say present is true, and the true will be executed, and if true, then s is equals to s plus, that is, the name has occurred only once.
So answer is actually 6 ACD. What is that? Line number 6.
Line number 2, 7, and 16. So what like answer is that we can change 16, but my is like we can either change 16 or we can change 6 and 19. The answer will be same. Like the solution.
But here we are checking with customer name or shop name. What is that we are checking here?
Sir, we have a shop name, and we have to check if we have to print the list of names of each customer of that shop individual. Like if we have to present only one name should not get repeated. Like if like we are checking for Big Bazaar,
like one person visited more than one store.
Yeah, in no, like if for Big Bazaar we are checking for Big Bazaar and a person has visited 3 times, so there will be 3 names in the list. So we have to make a list with only one name of like distinct names of customers. Yeah.
Unique,
so if like I have visited twice, so my name should come only once. My name in the list should come only once. So that is the thing. It says like represented exactly only once in the return list.
Okay, so maybe what do you do? Just mail me that what your solution saying, and then
I sent it on Discord that time only, but I got no response, and only one student I think was there in the group. Like I don't know who replied, and it said that because you are taking 2 lines rather than one, it is wrong. So I thought to raise it again, and I raised it.
So whatever the line you are saying, you are saying that line number 6, no, 6 and
19. 6 and 19.
Okay,
so I raised it with
actually
Rohan.
given as the option. Yes, understood.
Yeah, they are.
So Rohan has replied that one.
No, sir. He didn't reply. After that reply, I came again and I asked him. So he also said that you posted and like we'll see, but I posted and I didn't then I didn't get any response. And I raised another time, I think with another group as well. With there was a like another teacher, another ma'am was there. So she said that you have to follow like there should be true because like you have to follow. I didn't get. She said that you have been like taught to write true, like you have been taught that return value should always like it should be true, so you should write true there. So
No,
I
it's not
thought
like
to
that.
raise it.
Since you are defining here, it's not like that. But yeah, maybe that solution what you are suggesting is there in Discourse, or will you able to send me?
Sir, I will, if it's required, I will be able to like I can repost it. I had posted it very long, but like when we were doing this session, then only I had posted. So it
Okay,
must
so
be
what
a
you
long
do,
time
just
ago.
send that solution to me, just send that code to me, deepak@study.itm.ac.in. Okay? I will
So
check
just a
this
minute,
one.
I'll write it. Can you please repeat your where should I send it? Deepak
Deepak@the
rate
Deepak@the rate of study.itm.ac.in. What is it? Remove a reaction from hello sir. What is it?
Yes, sir.
No, Deepak@the rate
study.iit.ac.in.
IITM.ac.in. Okay.
Okay.
So say Deepak@the rate of D will be small actually.
Okay. All of them are small, I think. All of them are small, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'll send it to you. So, sir, in this case, suppose we get similar questions which have two answers. So, how will we approach? Because there are
No.
chances
So
that
generally, what we do, Atharv, no, I mean, we take care of these things because that's why so these questions are little bit in very much confusing in the sense. Some options can be make in another way, negative way also. Negations
Yes.
are there also. So that's why something we try to avoid to give them more options because that can be made in a negation and then you will make it correct. So there will be, so that's why to avoid these things, we have to consider each and every. Sometimes we may miss, but yeah, let me see that whatever you are saying, you actually correct or not. Let me see that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So maybe you come for at least 10 to 15 minutes and then discuss with me.
I'll try, sir, because I will have we have like university, so I'll try that if I'll get time, I'll surely join because I have to raise it. Yeah.
Okay.
So yes, this. Okay. Thank you, sir. And sir, the level of the examination will be similar to that of quizzes, or it will be a bit higher than those as well. Just as a general reference, if you could tell.
Yeah, I can say that mock level type of questions are there.
Okay.
Yeah, but some questions will be there which you have to think and do. Okay.
Definitely, sir.
Okay, then so tomorrow we'll meet at 2 o'clock. Okay?
Sir, you are not going to take any meeting at night, right?
No. Today it will be because today you have a stat session, no? So 10 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow
Thank you,
2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.